What is up, everybody? What is up? What is up? Welcome in. Hello, Ayad. What's up, Max? How you doing? You Hand, Rich, Pure Path, Savage. How are you all doing? Welcome in. What is up? Man, you guys are already requesting. That's crazy. Also, Savage. I don't know what BIB is, but we'll check it out. BIB, DOGE, and ADA. Alrighty. We just see more than 5 likes. Got 10 viewers. No likes. Oh boy. Maybe we got a couple likes. I don't know. Oh, BNB. Got it. BNB. Gotcha. Alright, everybody. So, welcome in XRP and BTC heat map, Porky. I don't know what the XRP heat map would look like. Can I even look that up? We'll throw it in there. Virtual thoughts. We'll check out virtual. Virtual Pi Network and SHIB. Alrighty. Are you in any trades? I am, Savage. I am. Refresh to see the likes. Yeah, that's true. I do need to refresh the page. I really do. SHIB. XRP to USDT. I got you covered. We'll see if I can find it. We'll see. I've never checked anything besides Bitcoin on the heat map, so we will see. I'll do it literally right after I check the heat map for Bitcoin. Thinking about BTC heat map. No, he said both. He wanted both. It's my tradition. I can't sleep on Sunday night until I hear you talk about HBAR. That's pretty funny. HBAR is like number 2 on the regular list, so we're gonna get to it pretty fast. Do you think bull run started? We're cautiously optimistic. As I was pointing out yesterday, a lot of things, getting a 50% retrace, you're gonna see a pump. It's gonna make everybody get like really excited. It's that higher low that we're really looking for to see the trend reversal. So cautiously optimistic. Right now, staring at Bitcoin. We're gonna go out to the 4 hour so that we can see this. Don't think BTC will pump. I think only alts. That's a terrible thought. I think BTC is just as much of an opportunity of pumping as alts, actually probably more of an opportunity of pumping, and that's because BTC has gone down, and we have this downtrend. I adjusted it previously, but we are not only broken out, back tested as support. How was my New Year's Eve? It was fine. I was right here. I was right here. Like, we have to take profits. Not saying that. So, I'll dive into this and you'll get my overall feelings of what's going on here. Before the big pump, you mean? Why would you take profits before a big pump? That doesn't make much sense. Alright, so right now in Bitcoin, you have this downtrend. You are now in a new uptrend. You set one higher low on a confirmed breakout on the 4 hour. I believe we do have this on the daily as well. Daily does have a confirmed breakout. That is great. The only problem I see is the dip buying paid off. Thanks for your help with chart and analyzing. No problem at all. Filecoin, when you get a chance, please. Max, I got you. FIL. I got you. So, we do have a confirmed breakout on the daily. This is a very good thing to see. We are in the bearish control zone. Looks like we could be curving up. We might even have a very good end to the week. Going back to our 4 hour, this is where I basically say that we need to stay cautiously optimistic. We need to get that higher low. Currently, as I'm speaking, we could see Bitcoin rally. We could see Bitcoin rally up 5.5%, maybe even slightly higher. Hold on. Yeah, about 5.11%. And this could be a bearish backtest. Harry, hello. Welcome in, Harry. Welcome in. So remember, with this movement, it is still bearish. We could move up while being bearish, setting a lower high. This is why I always say cautiously optimistic. We can see things go up before they fall further. So don't get crazy yet. Just understand, things can retrace to the upside too. Alright? Doesn't mean you can't get into trades. Just like I was posting earlier in Discord today, for those of you who are in the Discord and you were seeing as I was posting, you saw it right here. I posted GFI, I posted Ondo, I also posted OM. All three of these are starting to play out. So, yeah, if you're in the Discord, you get free updates all the time. Join the Discord. It's a great place to be. You get to know what my sentiment is starting the day, because I usually say something in there. But anyways, because there might be a dump, and you said on the day Trump's in office, yeah, there's always a possibility a dump comes on inauguration day, and then we start rallying like crazy. So just be ready for the possibilities. Cautiously optimistic right now. If Bitcoin does go up 5%, we're going to see our alts go up like crazy. I'm not even joking about that. They're going to go up like crazy. But we're solely focused on, are we going to make a lower high? That's what I'm focused on. What's up, bro? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Caspa, XLM, the fuck? We'll check out all of these. XLM, Caspa. We'll check them out. When is that day? It is on the 20th, I believe. I believe it's 20th. Yeah. So in 19 days. We could rally for 19 days straight also. Keep that in mind. Don't worry, Neo. I got you down. It's about to break out. Sweet. That means I'm going to have to stop accumulating. That'll be terrible. Solo make some moves. Nice. I used to give GFI. It's in a good buying range. Yes, it is. Made a video about GFI and a couple other RWA coins. I think the RWA ecosystem will be doing amazing things. Anyways, right now on the 4-hour time frame, it does look like we're getting to the bullish control zone. I could see it going up 5.11%. Checking out your 1-hour time frame, where you're consolidating while fighting against that 200 simple moving average, you can see the starting of a trend reversal. For those of you who are scalp trading out here, you might be looking for a move up to 97,455. So, yeah. Did you see Roaring Kitty's post, Rick James? No, I did not see that. Icon? Icon. What do you mean, Harry? Icon? Not sure. Anyways, this is what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin right now. It does look bullish. Just be careful out there. Was trading last night, but missed out on this epic long. No, it's okay, Chewy. It's okay. GameStonk, gotcha. I know about the GameStop fun. Roaring Kitty's all about that stuff and ruining the hedge funds and their giga shorts and whatnot. But yeah, I don't play around with those pump and dumps. I really don't. Anyways, looking in at Bitcoin's heat map on the 24-hour time frame, you can see the market is mixed. They don't know if you're going up or down, but let's see what kind of liquidity we have overhead. 41 million, 40 million, and then everything in between. Down below, we got 35 million, 41 million, 39 million. Technically, more money to the downside on the daily. Let's check out the weekly real fast. On the weekly, wow, so much more money to the upside, it's unreal. So this is what gives you the idea we're probably going up. Right now, 96,597. You have $91 million just waiting to be taken. And then if we get up to 97.5, $78 million ready to be taken. So the shorts have the possibility of getting absolutely wrecked. ICX, aka Icon. Oh, yeah, definitely say that instead. Link in particular. Chewy, you missed out on Link Long. Oh no. We'll check out Link for you. Rich, yo, we got to research Virtual's AI agents, man. Seems like there could be some lottery tickets in there. I will do some research on it. I missed the dip because I thought it was going to 89K. It's okay. The possibility's still there, Nick. The possibility's still there. ICX getting thrown into the queue. Remember, the possibility is still there for it to go down. Hold on. Let me see if I can find XRP. You can. All right, XRP perpetuals. Let's see where liquidation prices are. On your weekly, there's hardly anybody trying to short it. Hardly anybody. You have one node up here. Let's get to it. And it's $5.7 million in shorts. Could get liquidated at $2.44. Making, my bad, stupid rebots. What? Wait, what? All right, chat's going pretty quick here, but I'm going to get my thoughts out real quick. So on the weekly for XRP, you do have a nice little node of liquidity up there, 5.7 million, $2.44 is the target on that one. However, on the long side, sitting at $2.35, you have 4.72 million, but then you also have another pocket below it, 4.43 million. So fast trades, it looks like there's more liquidity to the downside, technically, but they might want to grab liquidity to the upside first. Looking at your daily, you can see how mixed it is, but it does look like there's more to the downside than to the upside. Would make sense for a quick grab of liquidity and then coming down to take out the longs. Be careful out there. Those must be new shorts. Of course they're new. We're in a brand new week. Or not really. We're in a brand new year. So, there should be brand new. But who knows? Alright, those are the perpetuals I see on XRP on the heat map. Anyways, moving back over to the regular markets. Let's start getting into some of these requests because, wow, do we have a lot already. Let's see, we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 already. That is crazy. Do you think the market found a bottom? No. No, I don't. Reason being is we haven't back-tested this lower level of support after the breakout. If we come back down to 91,555 after a 50% retrace, and then we bounce off of it again, or just make a higher low, then yeah, sure. I could agree to that. I really could. But until we make that higher low, I don't know. We could argue this was the higher low, so maybe. Time will tell. Time will tell. As for like timing the new bottom, oof, that's hard. That's really hard to do. I'm not very good at that. Looking at your daily time frame, we're not oversold. Yeah, I don't know. We lost our 50 simple. Our moving averages are spread apart like crazy. This is where like long-term consolidation happens because the moving averages want to come together. Hit the like for my boy, please, chat. Yes, please. Everybody hit the like. So yeah, I don't know. Until these moving averages get closer, till that 200 gets way closer, I'm cautiously optimistic. Cautiously optimistic. Right now, all I know, 5.11% upside is extremely likely. That's all I know. Alright, moving on. Let's get into these requests. Virtual is the first one. So, Virtual has gone insane. I was looking for literally just hitting this 387 mark. We blew past it. We hit the 1618 and still going. We are officially in price discovery. Next target on this bad boy is going to be looking at $6.55 if it keeps going. You are already overbought on the daily. Let's go ahead and drop down to lower time frames. You are cooking on the 4-hour. This thing is just going wet and wild. Insanity. Let's pull out the trending fib tool because of what it did. Let's see what that looks like for us from our low to high to low. All right, we could be finding some resistance sitting at 513,882. If we break above it, we're going to be looking at $7.09 for virtual. That's really all I have to say about it. Yeah, it's taken off. It's going wild. The pullback on this, if it does pull back, could be a little nasty. You could see yourself all the way back down to $2.70, because that is where our current level of support is. So we have to wait and see what happens on this particular asset. But yeah, one of two targets, 513 or 709. Virtual looking crazy out here. Let's check out Filecoin. Checking out File. Alright, let's clean up the chart a little bit. I haven't looked at this thing in a while, but we broke out of that little downtrend. That's great. Algo cooking too. We'll check out some algo. We'll check it out. Yeah, the whole market's probably going to look like it's cooking, honestly. And the reason it could look like it's cooking is because things like Filecoin. Remember, on a normal retrace, I mean absolute normal retrace, extremely common retrace, you could see this thing go up 23%. This will make everybody think we're going into the freshest bull run ever. I'm going to be a millionaire. It could roll over and just come back down to 547 and just knock all the wind out of your sails. So cautiously optimistic until you start seeing those higher lows. Cautiously optimistic. I'm not out here trying to ruin somebody's fun. I'm just trying to be realistic. Whales know how to manipulate markets way better than we do. So you saw the breakout, you saw the back test. Now you're looking for, and I'm going to say it again, that bearish 5-0. You could go as high as this 678.9 and still be bearish. So keep that in mind until you have that back test of support and then rolling back up. You gotta pay the toll, the troll toll. That's funny. But right now, 23% upside is what I see out of FIL. 4 hours saying you could do it easy. You're coming into the bullish control zone now, which is great. Let's check your 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you have taken your 200 simple moving average. You are noticing a trend reversal right now. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if you get the 23%. It's looking pretty good. The only crappy thing is I feel bad for all the longs that were sitting down here at $4.13 that look like they're not going to get filled. Now they have to chase a green candle. That sucks. That honestly sucks. But FIL looking pretty solid. If you were trying to get into a fresh trade on this thing, first off, you're looking for a little bit of consolidation right now. So you could see price come back down somewhere in the range of $5.057. That might be a great entry for longs. And then, of course, stop loss. Get it right down here, 475, and then let that thing ride, baby. Let it ride. But who knows? It could just start blowing through all these resistances right now. This market's kind of hot, so let's see what happens. That's FIL. Let's check out Solo. So, nope, I never look at that. Nope, Bybit. There we go. Solo made a move. This also isn't the chart I normally look at. Gate.io? Gate.io. All right. So we did mark this out where you could see a ton of upside. Look at where your bearish 5-0 is. It looks like you're running straight up to it. I got a feeling it's going to turn around at that point. I got this weird feeling it's going to turn around right there. And you could come as low as 45.066 as a bullish back test, setting that higher low that we're looking for. But this looks good. Noted, if it keeps going up, if it keeps going up, that's your next fib level. You could be running up 273%. But the positive here, you did break both trend lines. Fantastic. Just stay above them. Just stay above them. We're good. You are overbought on the 1 hour, so be careful there. It might have a little bit more steam in it, getting up to 61,766. I would expect some consolidation after that. Checking out your 4-hour time frame. 4 hours getting into that overbought territory as well. So be careful on the consolidation here. And just watch and see what happens. If you stay above 45,066, hey, you're golden. Be ready for some huge upside. Be ready. But understand that bearish 5-0 here. That would literally be my target if I was trading it. If I was in a trade, I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm taking profit right there and letting it fall down before I get back in. I need confirmation. That's what I need. But looks pretty darn good right now. Shot up there. Beautiful. Beauty. Checking out Link. Yeah, there's only one right now that I'm hyper bullish on, and that's Goldfinch. That one has done all the stuff in the things where it's like, oh shit, this is in an uptrend. This is going to go nuts. So you guys should pay attention to GFI. Alright, so Link, beautiful on the breakout. You have just entered bullish control zone. Not bad at all. Great breakout there. So Chewy, you don't have to worry too much. It looks like it's just getting started. Just now. On a bearish 5-0, you've already started the move, of course, but you still have some gas in the tank. You could see this thing rally up another 14.93%. Let's check out your 1 hour real fast. So 1 hour is an overbought territory. You could see this thing retrace a bit. Don't be alarmed. It could possibly come down as low as 21.05, and then I would expect it to keep going. Thanks to bonuses and your LTC trade, buy DeFi went from 25 to 250. Sweet. What's the trade you're in? I'm in OM right now. I guess I should have brought that up, shouldn't I? I'm in OM right now. If you're a part of the members / Twitch subscribers, linked in the description, linked in the Discord, you would have gotten an alert of when I got into this trade. And we're currently up 57% on a 25x long on OM. But yeah, this is what I'm in. It pays to be a member. You just get to see all the spam of when I'm getting in a bunch of trades. Oh, Chewy, 2105 retracement. Got it. It's a possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen for sure, but it's a strong possibility. This was a big move. This was a really big move. So we'll see if you get that. You might. Apparently, I didn't link anything to Discord. No, Chewy, you did not. There's only 2 people who have linked their Discords with their Twitch or YouTube account. And yeah, you did not do that. If you're a subscriber on Twitch, link your Twitch account to the Discord. If you're a member on YouTube, link the YouTube to Discord. You end up seeing that members only section, and in that section, you get to see all my trades when I get into them, stuff and things. Anyways, so this is what I see out of Link. You could see this thing fall, and noted it's a possibility. If you're going low leverage, 3.86% doesn't really matter. If you're doing a 5x leverage or something, you wouldn't care because you're looking at 14% upside. But if you do get this 3.86% pullback, you could then bring your stop loss all the way down below your lows here and then enjoy some gains. Because if it continues running, hey, you got more gains ahead. So we'll see. We'll see. Because noted, there's going to be someone out there, some eccentric billionaire out there that's going to be like, oh, great, we took our retracement. We got the bullish 5-0. We're going up to 36.45. That is literally your bullish case right now. Link could be heading up something like 66%. That is your bullish case at the moment. It's not going to go in a straight line, of course, But that is your bullish case. 66 to 98% upside. That's on Link. That's insane. All right, next up, we're going to look at Tau. Happy New Year, you fools. What's up, Freestyle? How you doing? Welcome in. Hopefully you had a wonderful new year. Going into Tau, it's a straight line up. Yeah, I don't really know much you want me to do here, but it is a literal straight line up. We're looking at it. It's crazy. It's all it can be right now. Let's go from low to high. Your 50% retrace sitting right above you at $564. Were there enough shorts at $2.44 on XRP for a short squeeze? Yeah, it's like $5 million. Something like that. $4 or $5 million. So Tau might have a little bit of juice left in it, getting up to this 566 level. At that point, I would be looking for a pullback because this is a literal straight line. Pepe, Harry, we'll check out Pepe for you. I got you down. Got you down. But yeah, literal straight lines, being overbought on the 1 hour, it makes all the sense in the world to get a pullback, but it might just go slightly higher than you expect. So there you go. Hit that subscribe button. 44 more to 1,000. That's right. Oh wait, 44. We got one during the live. Thank you, whoever subscribed. I didn't get notified. I appreciate you. And also, we got 19 likes in here. You guys are amazing. Thank you all. Thank you all. You guys are great. Anyways, moving right along here. Tau, let's see if you can get up to that 566 level. If you do, I could see a retrace back down to 501 before seeing a lot more upside. If this on the daily, let's say this was your pullback. I don't like the way this thing looked. That bearish divergence on the daily was rough, but you did pull back already. You broke out. I need to see that higher low, but let's just say this was the move. Then you could see massive upside on this thing, and I mean massive. You're looking at 892 as the next target. After that, you could be looking at 1,074 for Tau. So Tau, it needs to do a little bit of work, but you could see absolute craziness starting to ensue. If this bullish case does start to pan out, 65 to 99% upside. Just don't get caught on those short-term retracements. Don't get caught on those while you're trading. It could be bad. Checking out HBAR next. HBAR. So is HBAR broken out? Has it? It broke out. Beautiful. So we don't have to worry about coming down to 17 cents right now. It is a disappointment you didn't touch the 25. However, you see a low, second low. Now HBAR. We could have I looked at XLM? Not yet, but if you're requesting it, we'll look at it next. Alrighty. So yeah, HBAR, you can on the daily basically say you found a bottom, considering now you do have a higher low. This right here takes away a lot of bearish thoughts. They're all gone now. So now you're looking at 46.44 for HBAR. That is the thought process here, simply because you do have two lows and a higher low on a breakout. This is what we're looking for. This is great. You could have come down and barely touched 25 cents and still had the exact same formation. This is beautiful. As long as you stay above 28.727 at this point, sky's the limit. Go. Keep running. We could see HBAR rallying 57 to possibly 88% upside. I still think it is crazy overextended, and if the market gets bearish, you could see this thing fall as low as like 7 cents. Just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. So if this thing loses that 25-cent level, cut your losses. Just cut your losses. Let it fall. It'll be fine. Get in later. IOTA. We'll check out some IOTA, Seth. Alright, so XLM is next because Freestyle asking for it. Let's go into lower time frames here. HBAR on the 4 hour. 4 hour looks perfectly fine. And notice the difference here on the 4 hour. 4 hour, your moving averages are extremely tight. This thing has been consolidating for a very long time. This is going to act like a springboard now. So once you do backtest this 28727, it could start flying. So be ready for HBAR to have the possibility of a pump. Possibility of a pump. Checking out your 1 hour. 1 hour's resetting. It's getting ready for it. We could see this thing pump as soon as tomorrow. Which, noted, that's a Thursday. Thursdays are historically very bullish days. It might even start going sooner than that. Holy crap. Your 15-minute wants to go now. Go figure. Alright, HBAR might be the trade to be in. For you scalpers out there, what you're going to be looking for, you got your 618. Fantastic. That's your first move. Oh, shit. So, right now, you're going to be looking for anywhere between 14 to 30% upside for HBAR. And that's provided you do not make a lower low than back here at 28217. I'm surprised I have nothing but nice things to say about HBAR. I'm being honest. I'm very surprised. But hey, I got nice things to say about HBAR. HBAR looks great for a lot of upside. A lot. Moving right along, XLM. XLM is trying to do some things. It's trying desperately hard. Which, noted, I've said it before, say it again, it looked better than XRP. Simply because of the bull flag. Now, you have two measured moves here. This is absolutely phenomenal. You could be moseying straight up to 56.11. Let's hope that's not the move you're doing, because that would be a lower high and confirming that is major overhead resistance. We don't want that. We don't want a brand new level as major overhead resistance. What we would like to see is a break above 71.32, getting you up anywhere between 78.48 and 97.21. So let's see if XLM has it in it. But XLM's looking really strong right now on the daily. You just got back above your 50 simple moving average. Let's check your 4 hour. Your 4 hours overheated. That sucks. So let's hope you can maintain above 39.71. If you can, phenomenal. But understand how low it could go based off this straight line up. The possibility, oh no, 39.71. Stay above that. If you can stay above 39.71, you have a lot more upside. A lot more upside. The possibilities here are like anywhere between 41, 79% is what you'd be looking at. Can I look at Tesla? Sure. You're losing hope? You're losing hope on Tesla? Sheesh. We'll check out Tesla. Alrighty. So yeah, XLM's looking pretty strong right now. You're down $70 on a $250 position. I don't think you have to be that worried about it. Hold on. Hold on a second. Oh, you're not. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I did use leverage, so kind of my fault. Yeah, it's okay. Wait, did you put in options or puts? I mean, if you're putting in options, like this thing's gonna keep going to the moon, it kind of just depends on what the time frame is, because throughout the year it should do just fine. But noted, if you're like, oh, I'm gonna put in a long near the top, kind of irresponsible. 15-minute on XLM does look like it's ready to push up, which is surprising. That is very surprising. 2x leverage shares? Oh, that's not that bad. You got no crazy delta decay, thank God. Oh, that's good. So yeah, that's what I see out of XLM. As long as you stay above 39.71, you are golden for upside. XLM looks very solid. Very solid. Moving right along, we got XRP. Of course, the dynamic duo. XRP currently hitting overhead resistance. Currently hitting it. Let's go out to your 4-hour time frame. You see this 50% retrace here. You see it. It's right there, staring you in the face. You are now finding resistance off former support back here. It is now acting as resistance. Let's see if XRP can break above it. You do have a demand line right after it. This will be interesting. Will be interesting. Noted, all you need to do for XRP to stay super bullish, stay above 216. That's all you got to do. Stay above 216, you're good. If you can get a breakout right here, even better. Let's go to my other chart that I did more TA on. So looking at it from this aspect here, which we did point out 19% upside. Holy moly. I called for upside yesterday? Didn't realize that. Oh, cool. We called for it. It went. I think we were doing some short-term TA on this thing simply because somebody was 100x trading it, which, gosh, degenerate. I'm pretty sure he got out of his trade though. But yeah, things moving right along. You have overhead resistance sitting right above you. Definitely was saying 19.59% could go straight up there, and it still could be a lower high. So be ready for a pullback. Hey yo, what's up, Christian? Be ready for a pullback. Be ready for some type of consolidation. On this particular chart for the 4-hour, all I really needed to do is stay above 220. If you can bullishly backtest that 220 and then get a breakout and bullishly backtest again, hell. Or considering XRP and it never goes up, go straight up to 301. Just do it. Fuck it. Just go up there. Could do it. So yeah, this is actually looking pretty strong. Pretty strong. I want to see the breakout though. Until the breakout comes, I am constantly looking for it to come down. Constantly. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Oh man. So yeah, that's what I see out of XRP. So once again, I feel like they're getting a lot of euphoria into the market just with this little move to the upside. We have not broken out yet. Wait for the breakouts before you start getting super hyped. But right now, it is fantastic to see the recovery. Fantastic. And there is tons of money to be made. I am right now in the ballpark of we could see this rally continue all the way up to the inauguration day. So let's see it do some work. Let's see it do some work. Anyways, now somebody wanted me to look at Kekius Maximus. We'll check it out just to, I don't know, see the giant green candle. But yeah, XRP, XLM, HBAR, top trending. Oh, are they really top trending right now? Kekius on ETH. Can I run some fibs on A116Z, the potential upside targets? Sure. Is that the ticker? Is that the ticker? That is a terrible ticker. I think it's gonna be the top one. See, this is a problem when people ask for this thing. But alright, let's. Oh my god. So we saw the giant green candles. We saw the giant pullback. This is the problem with meme coins. Yes? Oh my god, that's really... Okay. ISO coins feeling good. That's a big number. Okay. Sweet. AI 16Z. All right, we got it in the queue. We got it in the queue. I don't know much else to do with this token besides like, hey, hopefully you guys took your profits, and whoever bought up here, you deserve the medal of shame. Should not have been buying up here. Just should not have been buying up here. Somebody had to buy that. Somebody had to buy all this in order for it to sell. Someone had to buy it. Just keep that in mind. Every time you see these giant red candles, they're filling buy orders. That's insane. Or they're just taking the liquidity out of the liquidity pool, but whatever. Oh, it's terrible. Terrible. Like those coins are HBAR XLM and group of... oh, that's what it is. Okay. I didn't understand what you were saying, but alright. I understand now, Seth. I understand. So yeah, I'm not even going to do really much analysis on this. Maybe we'll see if you catch some bids at an 886, which... yeah, you're sitting at. So let's see if you catch some bids. Which is the new messaging mandated March 10th? That's the new messaging? Oh, God. March 10th? Okay, interesting. BNB. The first ever request of BNB. This is an absolute tremendous day. It's amazing. Let's all praise whoever requested this. I forgot who requested. You had a breakout. You had a back test. BNB ready to move. I'm still looking for that 800 something number. I'm still looking for it. But 4 hour looks really strong. You are sitting neutral territory. The thing is, remember what I keep saying about these tight moving averages. BNB looks due for a pump. I mean like a pump. Like it's going to just run. So it even has pretty tight daily moving averages. That's kind of crazy. Let's look at it from its most recent upside. We'll go right here. So most recent upside, we could be looking at 846 to 914. Those are our two targets right now. Let's see what happens with BNB. You're sitting in neutral territory on the daily. You're neutral as heck on the 4 hour, on your 1 hour. You are in the bearish control zone while being slightly below your 200 simple moving average. I'm seeing upside for BNB. I'm seeing lots of it. Oh boy. Don't get tired now. We're barely through it. Yo, what's up, Juan? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Okay, I think I linked it now. Did you, Chewy? Did you? Let's see. You did, Chewy. You did. Welcome into the members only section. Welcome in. I see you in there. Alright. That was BNB token. Don't have too much to say about it because it does go sideways a lot. But let's look at DOGE. Damn it. Taking a look at our favorite little doggy, Dogecoin. TRX, surprised I didn't dip more. How's the wife? Wife is doing good. Wife's doing good. She hit 30 weeks now, so we can loosen up a little bit on how restrictive we are on her like sitting all day, which is really nice. What's up, Milk? How you doing? Welcome in. Yeah, so we got 7 weeks left in the pregnancy. Right now, we don't have signs of the baby trying to come out, so that's really nice. And we're really hoping it just hits full term. That's all we're hoping for. Just hit full term, and we're good. So, wife's doing good. Yeah, we will look at TRX next. I got you covered, Dr. Techno. Got you covered. All right, my Dogecoin outlook on things is we could see Dogecoin come up to, what is this price? 37,387. Can I check M3M3? We'll throw it into the list. Got you covered. Got you covered. All right, so good job, wife. Yes, the wife's doing a fantastic job, and now she is moving a bit more, but she still has like body aches and stuff, so there's that. However, I did pump her full of vitamins the past 2 days, and her headaches went away, so that was the best part. Happy New Year, Milk. Happy New Year's. So yeah, Dogecoin's moving pretty well. We got the breakout. Looks like we're trying to maintain our levels here. Your 1 hour's getting pretty high on your relative strength, but would not surprise me in the least to see price go up to 37,341. If you do get a 50% retrace, actually I don't even think you get a full 50 because you consolidated here. It might be less. But anyways, if you do get a full 50% retrace, you could see price coming back down to 32,559, and then I would expect more upside, a lot more upside. So my target right now for Dogecoin is about 12.77% more upside. You would too if you were carrying a human around. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Well, you know, the only thing more powerful than a man, it's a woman. Glad to hear. Yeah, I'm glad to hear too. There's this old phrase that I heard. It was like, yeah, you want to know the most impressive thing is whenever a guy does something great, they say, whoa, man. And guess what women are? It's like, okay, all right, cool. Great little play on words there, but why not? My bad. Glad to hear. It's all good. Prayers for full term. Your nephew came early at 27 weeks. Just turned 1 year old. Oh, that's fantastic. That is fantastic. Yeah, coming in early. It's tough. It's tough because then it's like, are they gonna grow? Are they gonna be fine? Are the lungs developed enough? Are so many worries. But that's amazing. Hit 1 year old already. That is fantastic. All right, we're going to check out ADA next. Can we take a look at WLD? Sure, Savage. Sure. Oh, we got to look at, hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. TRX. Got to look at TRX first, then we'll look at ADA. So looking at TRX, we have the breakout. We have a back test. I'm surprised we didn't come down to 244.4, but yeah, we could see this thing rally really high. I'm looking at 3190. 3190 is what I'm looking for based off the 50%. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. That is not what I'm looking for. That's if this thing continues going to the upside. What I'm really looking for out of this. Get the level. Okay. What I'm really looking for out of TRX, this thing could rally up 30%, up to 3375. Wow. I don't even know, outside of sending USDT places, why anyone uses TRX. If I'm being completely honest, I have no idea. But hey, it's showing signs it wants to go up a lot. That's really weird. You are broken out. And your 1 hour is basically saying, hey, as long as we stay above 2530, yeah, we're going up 30%. Go TRX. All right. That's insane. That is actually insane. I would expect it to stop somewhere around there though, setting a lower high and more consolidation. That would just be my expectation. But if it does continue, we could see something wild where it goes up like 138%. So that's something to look forward to. TRX looking crazy bullish. Biggest surprise I could ever see. Let's move on. ADA. ADA. Wow, did that have a move up? Holy moly. Took out all of our bearish thoughts. You shot on out of there. Can I look at DGen for you? Sure, we'll check out DGen. Got you covered. Alrighty, hold on. We got to do a little housekeeping real quick. Little housekeeping. We got 22 viewers, 26 likes. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you all for the likes. You are phenomenal people. We're at 957 on the subscribers. Thank you so much for the subs. Can I check out M3? Yeah. On Solana, I got you, Milk. These markets have gone nuts. I don't know about going nuts. They're just breaking out of their downtrends. So now you're looking for the bearish 5-0 retracements and then seeing if you can get a lower high after that. Or a higher low after that. So right now, ADA still could be running up another 11.17%, maybe even going slightly higher than that. But ADA did do something good on the way up. It got a back test at the 78.35 level. So if the market wants to, they could send this thing up to $1.60 to $1.95. If they want to, they can. So keep that in mind. If I was trading this though, I'd be looking for that $0.0449. That's what I would be focused in on. If I was trying to get into a fresh trade, I would completely be waiting for a 50% retrace. Completely be waiting. Let me check in on the trade over here. Looks like OM is starting to move. Congratulations, whoever decided to take that trade with me. We're up 100% on the trade. We're doing pretty okay. Let's go ahead and see where ADA could go. So if ADA decided to go on a 50% retrace, we're looking at 89.60, where you could have an opportunity to get into a fresh long. You're going to really want to wait for that because you are overbought on the 1 hour. So let that reset, let it consolidate, chill out, and then go from there. All right, I'm realizing I've been talking a lot and I haven't had any water. I'm going to drink some water. I'm going to take a little water break here. Because water is important. Water is life. By the way, who got their cardio in today? I know I did. I did an hour and a half of cardio today. Oh my god, I hate cardio. I hate it. Sucks. But I did it. I deserve a cookie. I have to do another hour and a half cardio tomorrow, the next day, and every single freaking day. Ugh, it's gonna suck. I'm gonna hate it. I'm gonna hate every second of it. Every step, I'm gonna freaking hate it. Me finally smashed for real. Oh man. So yeah, this is what I see out of ADA. It looks fine. It looks great. You got above a level of resistance, but you are overbought. So I would expect this thing to come down just a little bit. Just a wee bit. You know, it's only a 4.72% move before seeing more upside, more than likely. I walked upstairs and got to my room. Oh boy, that's it. My cardio was chasing your grandbaby. Oh dang, Milk, you got grandchildren? Congratulations. That means you did well as a parent and your kids still like you. That's good. I can say that because I got my kids, and oh, if I didn't like my parents, they wouldn't be seeing my kids. I'll tell you what. But yeah, so this is what I see out of ADA. Let's move right along. Pi Network and Shiba Inu are next. Pi Network. You're 60? Oh, dang. That's crazy. As long as you get it in, that's true. Get it in. That's all that matters. 60 and grandparent? Wow. Congratulations. Because, you know, a lot of grandparents that I see nowadays, they're like late 70s. It's wild. So not much movement has happened out of Pi Network. since we looked at it last. We were bearishly backtesting 54.71. Let's hope you can maintain where you're at, because if you can't, $24 is coming. But I would be expecting it sometime in the distant future, in the many years, maybe you see 83.91. Maybe. You are on a breakout. You're holding support. It just... Pi Network really does nothing. It does not. It is just sideways AF. That is wild. Doing absolutely nothing at all. Since we looked at it last time, it's just chilling. Just chilling. You're underneath resistance though, so be careful. Doing nothing. All right. Let's go look at SHIB that has had some movement. SHIB, strong bounce off support. Strong bounce. So we were looking for about a 16% move to the upside, and we are on the way. We are on the way. This is great to see. Your 1 hour is not overbought right now, and you are above your 200 simple moving average. That is great to see. Let's go check out the 4 hour real fast. Yeah, your 4 hour is looking great. Looking great for the upside. 15 minute. 15 minute does look like maybe it could consolidate a bit longer. But yeah, it's well on its way. I would legitimately be looking for a move up to 2468 if you happen to break it. You do have a demand line sitting overhead. I would say about 3197. So this thing could rally on up there if it is truly bullish. You might see another 45% upside. What coins pumped the hardest today? I saw Ondo doing really well. I got an OM. OM just started late. I know that FTM caught the bounce. FTM had a really strong day. Really strong day. I guess maybe layer ones all around did pretty well. But yeah, as for bouncing the strongest, I don't know. I don't know. But I do think the RWA plays, I think they're the ones to look at right now as the new year started, because real estate is set to do better this year. So I would be looking at the RWA a lot. Oh yeah, XRP XLM pump hard. They didn't pump that hard. Not in comparison. Thank you. Are you okay? No, I'm good. Got plenty of water. Like Ondo. Yeah, I made a whole dedicated video about the RWA plays I'm gonna be basically purchasing a bunch of. And yeah, you guys should definitely watch the video. It's 27 minutes long, but there's timestamps in it. So as soon as you get the information you want, just jump to the next part. It's fine. It's fine. Just watch the video. That's all I care about. Dude, all the houses in the Bay Area are like 1.5 million. Can't even afford that. 1.5? That's it? That's crazy. I thought there were more. That's like the same prices where I live in Southern California. So this is what I'm seeing out of Shiba Inu. If you can break above 2468, you're looking at a nice 45% run to the upside. What happens if XRP makes people rich quickly? They take profits. That's usually what happens. They take profits. 1.5 million is average 1,500 square feet. That's tiny. Oh no, that's tiny. That's gross. 1,500 square feet. That not worth it. Not worth it. All right, let's check out Caspa. I'm thinking about moving down to San Diego. San Diego's not bad. Take profit and buy more. Mulaney. Can I explain liquidity pools for a crypto? Depends. If you're staking, that means you're securing the network by allowing other people to sell. That would be a liquidity pool. Other liquidity pools you'd be looking at, like an RWA situation, you're basically offering the company money so that they can buy other things. And that is a pool of liquidity that they can draw from to buy other assets. So there's a couple different types of liquidity pools, but that's usually what it is. You gain a percentage based off of whatever liquidity is provided. Or making liquidity pools. If you're making a liquidity pool, that is literally you are staking and you are providing liquidity to whatever project you are putting money into. And they are giving you a yield off of a whatever percentage they're going with. You lived in Chatsworth Boulevard several years in San Diego. I don't even know what Chatsworth Boulevard is. I feel like it's something I should understand. Because that sounds like a title. Kind of like where I live, we have this place called Coto de Casa. And when people hear about it or they know about it, they're like, oh, there's money there. It's like, yeah, Coto de Casa. That's what it is. Money. So if crypto is going to do that, that is bullish news. I wouldn't say it's like bullish news. It's just a way of people making passive income. So it would drive more people to want to get in. So I guess, yes, you could say it's bullish, but literally all projects do it now. So I don't know. I've been considering staking Tether, but was put off by the negative news. I think I'm safe. Tether has had negative news ever since they came into existence. I think you'll be okay. It's extremely hard for them to take down Tether. When do you think ETH will pump? Historically, sometime this month. For Caspa right now, you do have a breakout and a confirmed backtest of your previous downtrend. I would be looking for 23% upside based off the actions that have happened. It's near Port Loma Heights. You moved out of California. Why would you move out of that resort? What the heck? Point Loma's nice. Yeah, it was funny. I visited a friend who was going to Point Loma University, and that was hilarious to me because when I went there, I was like, this isn't a school. This is a resort. Are you kidding me? Stablecoin is a coin that is always $1. Technically, it's supposed to be pegged to $1, but they get depegged pretty often by large sell orders. It's just they'll get pushed back up to $1. But yeah, essentially they're $1. I would say they're close to $1. They're close. As long as they don't lose like a full cent. If you see a stablecoin hit 98 cents, get out of that stablecoin, get rid of it. You do not want it. If it ever hits 98 cents, you're like, whoop, don't want it. Nope. Something bad is about to happen. You don't want it. Alright, so yeah, right now I'm looking for Caspa to go up 23% to the upside, possibly breaking above this 14432 level. However, I do have very strong ideas about Caspa and what it has done based off its weekly time frame. I do believe Caspa has found its bull run bottom right now. So Caspa, I think, is one of the better opportunities here, and we can use the wonderful trending fib tool. This is the best part about it because you would go from low down here to high up here to the low right down here, and the targets we're looking for Caspa, it's not just that 23% upside. I mean, we're going to see some chop. We're going to see some sideways. We're going to see some bullshit. But in reality, I'm seeing Caspa in the nearer term than you expect to be getting up somewhere around 60 to 79 cents. So I do believe Caspa's about to go on a run that a lot of people are not ready for. I mean, you can see this thing going up 237, 200 or 395, or even go buck wild and get like a 555% upside. So this is what I'm thinking is in store for Caspa, and that is solely because here on the weekly time frame, you have tested this level sitting at 99409 three separate times, and now you have a higher low. This is a fresh and new uptrend after you have had all these gains. It's finally moving too. It is finally moving, but you need this consolidation so when the bear market comes and you fall back down to these levels, you're going to be like, oh my god, this is the greatest buying opportunity I could ever have, because it would be a full reset. So yeah, I do believe this here is going to turn into the new bear market lows. What's good? Caspa wallet. I forgot. Neo 100, you're ready? Good. Be ready. Stablecoin's price is kept at arbitrage pretty much higher than $1, and it is good to sell lower price $1, and good to buy is value backed by US Treasury bonds and other assets. Are you talking about USDT? It usually does not go above $1. It usually doesn't. Also, the idea of trading a stablecoin is pointless. Like, absolutely pointless. Caspaware, go with that one. LFG, Treasury. So yeah, most of them will have some Treasury bonds in there. Some of them will have some gold. Others will have like weird baskets of assets. But a lot of them are starting to buy a lot of Bitcoin too. Like USDT, every single quarter they have profits. They're using their profits to just buy a bunch of Bitcoin. It's a good thing if a coin is going to launch a stable coin. Technically, yes, it is a good thing, but also sometimes it's completely pointless. Usually they'll make a stable coin for their decentralized exchanges, and so it just makes it easier for people to hold value and create more liquidity for their layer 1 pretty much. That's usually why they do it. Above and below for trades is pointless, but USD peg is kept by arbitrage and volume. There's money to be made like in Forex. So it's different trading stable coins compared to foreign currencies. It is different. If you wanted to do that with stable coins, you're going to get very disappointed very fast because they're more stable than currency trading. They're way more stable than currency trading. I guess technically if you wanted to go from like the EU, basically the Euro stablecoin to the USDT stablecoin, it would be the same thing, but you could also just buy a crypto. You could do that. You could buy something that's going to show a much bigger appreciation, like a 23% fluctuation within a couple days. Might be more lucrative. Just throwing that out there. I think my sister's about to call my nephew, so. Anyways, we'll cross that bridge when it comes. ICX is coming in next. But yeah, Caspa, you're on a fresh breakout, looking pretty solid. Not me as a trader, it's done by algos, just pointing how its peg is kept. Oh, gotcha. ICX is next. Do I not look at this thing? Holy crap. Okay, we found a coin I don't look at. ICX. I never look at this coin. Amazing accumulation range. Absolutely amazing. So if you're going for the long term, this is where you buy. This is exactly where you buy. This is beautiful. Great accumulation range. I like this. I really like this. Next level we gotta look at is up here, up there. Holy shit. You're on major breakout. Major breakout. You're looking for 130% upside right now. ICX. Whoever requested this, you're a saint. This is beautiful. And we can leverage this. Seems like cheating. Alright. Oh my god. You got 2 levels, and the likelihood of you hitting like if this thing starts pumping, you are likely to go up 229% because your 200 weekly moving average is sitting up there. Whoever requested this, great request. This looks good. This looks good. Do we have something that would make me even more excited? No, we don't. Damn it. Ugh, if we had that weekly bullish divergence, I would have creamed myself live on stream. That would have been insane. Oh my. You do have this downtrend you're going to have to deal with. That's annoying. Checking out your daily. Daily's looking pretty solid. Daily's looking pretty solid. This bad boy line up. So on the daily, you're looking for your second move. This is your first move down. Second move up will lead you straight to this 43.12 level. Huh. So you do have 2 targets. 118 to 130% upside. This thing is crazy. Thank you for icon. Yeah, no problem, Harry. This thing is crazy looking. I mean, you're literally about to enter your bullish control zone on the daily. Your MACD is showing its second green candle. This thing is ready to rip. Let's go up to the 4 hour, or down to the 4 hour. 4 hour just now entering bullish control zone. And you have a very distinct spot to put a stop loss right here at 1703. Yeah, you're kind of set and ready to go for 130% upside. Huh. Nice. There was your breakout. Sheesh, dude. That's insane. Okay. All right. Algorand is coming in next. Algo. I'm going to peek in on my trade real quick. So, yeah, this is what I was talking about last night. We could see Algorand go up 33%. And it would still be bearish. Because it would be a lower high. But Algorand, just like HBAR, it did something very good. It backtested 28 cents. So, it's very well likely we could see price go up anywhere between 75.35 and 92.9. So right now, Algorand's doing really good things. Understand it won't go in a straight line though. You're hitting overhead resistance and your 200 simple moving average on the 4 hour. You are not overbought yet. I repeat, not overbought yet. Looking at your 1 hour, you are overbought. So expect a little bit of consolidation around here. But the likelihood of you hitting 46 cents is very high. Very high likelihood you get up there. If you do get a retracement tonight, you would be looking at price coming down to 36.58 or 36.56, one of those two, and that would be a very good possible entry for a new long where you'd look for 46 cents. Any coins that are good short? James market's going up right now. So it would be very disadvantageous to short right now. If you wanted to do like a little scalping short, like maybe I don't even think it's worth it. But like Algorand right now, if you put in a short, you're looking for about a 7.8% downside. And then you would flip it straight back to a long right after, going up 26%. So I guess if you're going to bed and you're thinking you want to short because you're overbought on the 1 hour on Algorand, you could consider this one. I mean, it would just be a consideration. I don't think it would be very well advised, because that 15-minute wants to keep going. So I don't think that's a good idea. Shorting right now, bad idea. We had the last 5 weeks straight of being able to short. You're looking for longs now. Yeah, I might short it to hedge your position right now. All right. So hedging, the proper way of using it, yeah, that would make sense. Thoughts on AI agent cryptos? Apparently they've been going crazy. They've been going up a lot. I don't really have any opinions on them, so I haven't done a deep dive into them. I think that's going to be the video that I make tomorrow where I start deep diving into it. So I have no thoughts on them just yet. You're long LTC, ICX, and Bitcoin right now. ICX looks really good for a long. Looks really good. 10x on everything. Well, that's kind of low. But alright, that's cool. LTC and BTC are probably doing extremely well. Probably. You know, I gotta ask if now is a good time to call the boy. What? But yeah, the AI agent tokens, I will be diving into them probably tomorrow. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh wait, you're 20x on BTC and LTC? You're conservative. That's nice to see. It's nice to see the conservativeness. All right, next we're going to check out Pepe. Let's go on up to Pepe. So, Pepe, Pepe has the possibility of a breakout. It really does. It's got a little work to do, but it has the possibility. I'm going to adjust this out here. You can see the breakout that has happened. That is fantastic. Right now for Pepe, I would be looking for it to go up to 2274 if you can get the breakout. But understand what else is sitting right next by you. Right next to you, you do have that bearish 5-0. You hit it once already, so I am thinking this is your higher low. A breakout could be coming, especially with the new uptrend that's forming, and your relative strength is sitting in the bullish control zone on the 4 hour. So right now, for Pepe, what I'm expecting to see is a move up 14%, hitting this 2274 level. But you need to get that breakout. Resetting your indicators close to your demand line is a good look. It is a good look. It's like prom night and you just got a fresh haircut. It looks good. Looks good. But yeah, let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour has plenty of room to run to the upside. You're above your 50 simple. Pepe's looking really strong right now, actually. 15 minute looking good. Not overbought on the 15. This could start rallying now. Yeah. Could start rallying now. We're aiming at 14%. So be ready for that. Be ready. I'm going to take a look real quick at my trade, see if it's still going up or if it started retracing. Ooh, we got a bit of a retracement on the OM trade. Oh no. It's going to zero. We're up 86% on the trade. Not too shabby. We're starting the new year off right. And noted on OM, I'm on a 25x long, just a reminder to everybody. But yeah, OP looking like it's ready to blast off. Or sorry, not OP, Pepe. Let's check out IOTA next. IOTA is up there. It'd be up there, man. We haven't checked IOTA in a while. Holy. But it took a deep retracement. Jeez. Let's go out to the 4 hour. All right, 4 hour time frame. Looks like we're going up for that bearish 5-0 at 44.33. Right now, a lot left to be desired. Looks like you will consolidate a little bit. So I would be looking at this one in the morning, seeing what it looks like. But you could be seeing a rally up somewhere around here, 29% upside. You could very well be seeing a rally up there. We'll see what it does at that point, but I don't like how high your relative strength is on the 4 hour. If you start showing bearish divergence while getting to overhead resistance, that's going to make me just think, oh, we're going to go down further. So let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's check out the 1 hour right now. 1 hour's overbought at the moment. So, needless to say, when you're overbought on the 1 hour, I automatically think you're about to get a 50% retrace from the rally you've already had. I'm starting to think 32.01 is going to be a great target for IOTA to get into some fresh longs. If you get down there, you could be looking at something like 18.21, 26, 32%, or even as high as 39% upside. The possibilities are there for IOTA. Let's see how this consolidation goes. Being overbought on the 1 hour, it's not a really fun time. You're going to want that to reset. All right, let's jump into Tesla real quick. Tesla, let's see what happened today. Tesla on a little bit of a downtrend. Losing 407 is a problem. You don't want to do that. You don't want to lose 407. Oh no. Losing 407 is a problem, but you do have support sitting below you, sitting right here at 359. As long as you stay above 359, you are still super bullish on Tesla. Going out to the weekly here. The weekly's overbought, so this is where you're expecting a bit of consolidation, especially as it's the new year. A lot of people looking for some consolidation. It's okay. You had all-time highs at $489. Retracing a little bit is nothing to be alarmed about. Taking out fresh longs up here, that was a terrible idea. That was a real bad idea. But let's go ahead and see where it can pull back to, 359. So I'm expecting it to come down to 359. That's all I'm looking for. After you hit that, I should have left that up. Shit. So yeah, after you hit that 359, you could then see Tesla start going up for new all-time highs. Anywhere between 563 and 658. Let this thing cool off. Let it chill out. Let it grab some water before it goes running again. That's what I see out of Tesla. Now let's go ahead and check out some fib levels on A1 or AI16Z. There it is. That's actually the ticker. What the fuck? You know you're in the stratosphere, right? Like, this thing went beyond the moon. This thing went crazy. Oh, boy. I don't know if that's the top. I have no idea if that's the top. You see the problem with not knowing if it's the top? I mean, you're super overbought. You know what? We can do it this way. I bet you beat out all those too. Oh, no, you didn't. All right. So, you're right now about to hit the second outer space target, sitting at 252.6738. If you break that, you're looking at 329.492. Here are our fib levels. Looking for potential take profit areas? Yeah, you're like at one right now. Considering how overbought you are on the daily, if I was holding this thing, I would be selling. I would front run the 2618. I would definitely front run it. I wouldn't even care, because the last time you were in overbought territory like this was, I mean, you were slightly overbought. You saw price come down from high to low 41%. I wouldn't want to deal with that. The time before that you were in overbought territory was back here, where you saw price come down 73%. I would be taking profit right frickin' now, because I would see that and be like, I don't even want to deal with 41% downside, let alone 73. I would hate that. Do I look at Sol or AVAX? Nikita, no. Not even requested today. We'll check them out. We'll check them out. So yeah, if it were me, I would already be taking profit. Because if you pull back, you're likely to find support maybe 175, but most likely at 128.382. What's the percentage down from where you're at? And that lines up perfectly. A 45% retrace. Good morning, ZWXDZ. Welcome in. Yeah, that's what I would be doing. Let's see what your lower time frames are showing. You're overbought on the 4 hour as well. Check out the 1 hour. 1 hour you're overbought, but you don't even have bearish divergence. Maybe it keeps going. Sol on a run? Sweet. Check out the 15 minute. Are we seeing it there? We see. No, it's just consolidation. So never mind. Your lower time frames are saying the run can continue. So yeah, maybe you got another leg up. You could see this thing go up another 39%. Price discovery be crazy, man. You could see it go up another 39%. Yeah, that's what I see out of this thing. And that's all thanks to no bearish divergence on your 4 hour, 1 hour, or 15 minute. There is no distribution happening. They are just buying crazily. I don't understand who's buying up here. That's nuts. If you happen to get a red candle right now, that's where you can see some bearish divergence happening. You had bearish divergence here based off this high, you saw the pullback, then you shot back up. And now, oh, hold on. I take back everything I said. You do have bearish divergence. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm zoomed in here. Holy shit. I take back everything I just said. I don't think you're getting 39%. I think you're topping out. I think you're topping out. I would be taking profits. I would definitely be taking profits while seeing that bearish divergence, massive bearish divergence. This is going to be your third peak. Understand the rule of three when it comes to these markets. Yeah, I'd take some profits. You have the possibility of 45% downside. Not just a personal thing I would do. All right, M3M3. That is an actual coin. All right. M3M3. That is brand freaking new. Oh, man. I'll do my best here. It's not going to look pretty. And it's not going to be accurate. So, Just understand that. You got a level here. You got a level down here. I guess you got an honorable mention right there. And you got this right here. Alright, great. You're above resistance. Thanks, brother. Going to shave some off the top. It's all good, man. It's all good. I mean, the market's kind of pumping right now. Even my trade's back up to being up. Yeah, things are getting a little wet and wild out here. So we'll see what happens. We're on a fresh new 4-hour candle too. That's crazy. Not crazy. Going out to the 4-hour here. Are you breaking out of a downtrend? Are you? You're trying to break out of a downtrend. So if you can break out of that downtrend, I would honestly be looking at it kind of like this. So if you manage to stay above the 7117, could see this thing go up. Your win rate on buy DeFi went from 12% to 75%. That's what's up, James. That's what's up. Damn, virtual hit $5. Sweet. Could see this thing go up 41%. M3, that's what I would be looking for right here. Your 4 hours saying it could start happening. 4 hours saying it could start happening. Let's see what it does. You just bought a 340? Nice. That's the thing about price discovery, Rich. It goes fast. It goes fast. Thanks for M3. Milk, no problem. It looks pretty solid, even on your 1 hour. You're in bullish control zone. You're nowhere close to being overbought. This thing could actually start rallying. 15 looks solid too. You just need some volume. That's all you need. Could see a 41 to 61% upside. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Let's go to WLD. WorldCoin, which I also don't understand why anybody would scan their eyes just to get a little WorldCoin, but it's the world we live in, I guess. We're in a brand new uptrend here. On a bearish 5.0, we looked at it the other day. We were looking for 38% upside. Understand this thing could go way higher. Way higher. You could see this thing back up to $4.24. You're currently breaking out of overhead resistance. So right now, we could look at this thing a little bit differently. Could look at it as 33% upside is a normal move. The other normal move could be 84% upside. Because you are on an uptrend, breaking out of resistance. Your daily is in bearish control zone, trying to get back into the bullish control zone. Your 4 hour time frame, it is in the bullish control zone deeply. I would expect this thing to go up a bit more, get into that overbought territory, and then consolidate. I don't look at the 2 hour. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, you are in that overbought territory. So I would expect some consolidation, but I don't think you're going to get a pullback just yet. I think you're going to go up a little bit higher. Oh, maybe that's why. On the 1 hour, you're on a fresh breakout. Right there, fresh breakout. Even if you do pull back, you're looking to hold the demand line. But yeah, considering uptrend and everything, I'm looking for 84% upside. If it starts getting crazy, 594 is the second target. Welcome to 2025. Bull run back on for WorldCoin. Let's check out DGen. DGen. It's working on it. It's not going down. That's all we have to be excited about. You held the 922 level. You held it. You're back up above it. Let's freaking go, baby. Oh my god, Dent got the short squeeze? That's crazy, dude. That is crazy. Dent got the short squeeze. Oh man. So, checking out DGen, you are broken out, you're holding support, your 1 hour is trying to get into that overbought territory. We are looking at a common retrace for DGen. DZ, you're going to love this number. You're looking at a common retrace of 136% upside for DGen. You have made a confirmed higher low. This is where it gets sexy. So let's go out to the 4 hour. This is where it gets really sexy. Okay? Because you did make a higher low after all this consolidation, after all this craziness. You could look at this thing bullishly, where you could see it move something in the realm of this right here, where you could see it go up to 45.06. Can I check Zeus? D-Nice? Sure. Check out Zeus. So, you could see 136% upside, or you could see it move, oh my god, somewhere between 358 to overhead resistance at 478% upside. And that's solely because you made a higher low than previous lows. It's a really big deal when that happens in these charts. And then you also broke a long-term downtrend. You got some time before it goes up there, but this looks crazy. BTC got such a crazy candle. What up, what up? DGen's looking good. DGen is. This was lit. Close your long for 25%. That's it? Just 25%, James? That's it? Closing out a little soon, aren't we? You have some LTC you're holding, so I'm just scalping. Not bad on the scalps. Not bad. Let's see. OM struggling. I'm still up 100%. I needed to hit my level, though. Get to the level, damn it. We're probably hitting overhead resistance. I probably should look at that chart, but we got a couple more requests. We covered WorldCoin, covered DGen. Now we're going to get into Solana. Nikita chose Solana and AVAX. I got you, Nikita. What about FWOG on Solana? We'll check out FWOG. We're very close to the end of the request. This is fantastic, everybody. Fantastic. I feel like I was a little more focused today. I'm going to pat myself on the back for that. So, I did mention Solana could be going up. That 19% upside. Nobody wanted to believe me about the symmetrical triangle. But here we are. Entry on BTC long was kind of ass. Oh, I understand. Want an entry at 94K if I can. Gotcha. So Solana, we have currently broken out of the 202. We're moving up to the top of the channel. Ideally, we're going to get a move up to $220 and then get a formal back test at 202. Would be amazing. Milk, thank you so much for this $2 super chat. You are the top dono of the night with the $2. Thank you so much. Hi, Porky. Happy New Year. Question: if you had $1,000 and could only use it to buy Cas Brett Turbo, which one would you choose? I'd probably go Caspa. We already looked at Cas. Cas looks good. Want to check out C-Pool? Got you. We'll check out C-Pool. You're the man. Thanks for the dedication, Nikita. No problem. I am here for it. I'm gonna be here all year, everybody. Gonna be here all year. My actual plan is to be here live every day for the bull market. Every single day. We'll see if I can do it. We'll see. Neo, Cas. Yeah, I would choose Caspa too. I would choose Cas. Steve, hopefully that helps you out. So yeah, Solana right now doing a great job, moving on up. I think we're about to hit the measured move from this symmetrical triangle. I think we're about to. Oh no, we got a ways off. Holy shit. Anyways, you're above resistance. This is great. Happy New Year's, bro. Happy New Year's lifestyle. How you doing today? Welcome into 2025. Good call. Thanks. No problem, Steve. No problem. The only reason I chose that, though, it's like Turbo has a possibility of going up, but it's a lot closer to its all-time highs. Whereas, same with Brett. It's a lot closer to its all-time highs. And what Caspa just did, it's on a deep retrace, and is backtesting its weekly demand line as support. So Caspa just overall looks way more bullish than the two of those. So yeah, we're moving up pretty good. 4 hours, still not overbought on Solana. Looking at your 1 hour time frame, you're in overbought territory. Expect a bit of consolidation overnight. Expect the consolidation. Whoa! Adrian Jones, Happy New Year, my good sir. Have you already looked at ILV today? I have not. We will look at that next. Thank you so much, top dono of the evening. $4.99. I appreciate you. ILV. We will check that out next. You all know how the hierarchy works. You know how it works. Donos, members, then everyone else. All right, so that's what I see out of Solana right now. I would expect consolidation overnight. Hopefully you stay above $202. But if you don't, you could see it come back down as low as 197 before it catches a nice little bounce, starts running back to the upside. Maybe you even test the symmetrical triangle as support. We will see, but it is on the move. It technically does not have to test the symmetrical triangle at all because you're in this channel. Does not have to do a back test there. You would be looking for a back test of support at 202 though. If you get all the way up to 220, definitely look for 202 as support. Definitely look at it. All right, moving along. We're looking at ILV. I guess I should probably look at the 15. Hold on. Let's look at the 15 minute real fast. Yeah, you're pretty overbought in the 15 minute too. Pretty overbought. No bearish divergence. It's looking just fine. Expect a little bit of a retracement. No big deal. All right. ILV. Looking at ILV. Going out to the 4 hour time frame. Ooh, no, we're going out to the daily. Hold on. Going out to the daily here. ILV, fantastic buying opportunity. Holy guacamole. Is this a confirmed back test as well? It is. Holy guacamole. Confirmed back test. Oh my gosh. Not only a confirmed back test, but look at the amount of sell pressure while having the oh, you got bullish divergence on the MACD? Damn, brother. Or is that hidden bullish divergence on the MACD? Considering you see this crazy amount of divergence with the higher price. Oh my, oh my. This is what a trend reversal looks like on the daily. Absolute gorgeousness. All right, simply put, we got a couple levels to focus in on. Number one we're going to look at is this right here. You're holding 50 of these puppies. All-time high, here we come. Actually, yes, you are looking for new all-time highs. I'm actually not even going to joke around about that. But first, you got some levels. You got some things you're going to have to go through. There's going to be turbulence. There's going to be some BS in your life. But right now, right this second, I would be looking for 146% upside. Right now, 146% upside. But no, this thing is bull run ready. You have started a brand new and fresh uptrend. And I mean fresh. This thing just got going. So right now, at this very second, as long as you stay above this line here, which it is respecting it already. Oh boy. You love that. You love that the respect is already there. As long as you stay above that, looking pretty damn good. Gold Mike, you want me to look at Congo? Got you. So this is how you get me really bullish on an asset. Right here. This is pretty. Sexy. This is Jessica Alba in the movie Honey. This is great. Anybody who hasn't seen that movie or doesn't think Jessica Alba is good looking, see yourself out. Get out of the chat. Get the hell out. Yeah, right now this thing is about to have a nice confirmed breakout. I could see it jumping up to 53.86. You want to check out Bone? Sure, we'll check out Bone. Yeah, confirmed breakout here. It is a new uptrend. This is great. How many times are you gonna write Bone, buddy? I hope you don't write it too many times. Jeez. There you go. So automatically on this one, we're gonna be looking for anywhere between that 77.48 and 143 level. Can I cover Spell and Blast? Got you. If you haven't already, I have not. So Spell, Blast. By the way, Blast is on my list for things that you probably want to hold. It is a layer 1 and it's its first ever bull run. Probably want to hold that. Alrighty, so this thing on the daily looks fan-frickin-tastic. 146 is lining up very well with your fib levels. Love to see that. Yeah. I don't have anything bad to say about this, but this is ultimate buying opportunity for this asset. Let's get rid of this as well, because understand where your upside could go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If you break above 142, you're getting like an express ticket straight up to 485. Oh my god. Might have to buy this one. What the heck? That's scary. The fuck? Alright, I don't know who decided to give this thing steroids, but sheesh. Yeah, that's major markup phase if you break that. What the hell? What does this thing even do? This looks like Solana's chart from the bear market. Like, what the heck? Anyways, yeah, everybody should probably consider jumping into this thing, because just to get into your all-time high territory, I don't even know if I'm drawing it right. You can't even see it. You could see this thing rally 45x. It's gaming? Oh, that's what it is. Yeah, I can see that. When gaming gets popular again, I can see that. Didn't even draw right. Came close. Came close. 48x just to get to your all-time high? Damn, son. Feel bad for everybody who bought it at all-time high. Holy. Sucks for them. But anyways, that's what we see out of ILV. I'm done gushing over it. It looks really, really good on the chart. Bringing it into the 15-minute, zooming all the way in. Can you get into this thing right this moment and feel safe? Kind of. Yeah, you really can. Just get a stop loss right below 38.01. You're good. That's crazy. That's a lot of upside. That is a lot of upside. But this looks absolutely crazy. So, good luck to everybody who takes this trade. Enjoy your long-term hold. Wow. All right, moving along. We got AVAX for Nikita. Well, AVAX did something good. You hit overhead resistance. You do have some bearish divergence. Expect a bit of consolidation. Just expect it. Don't be alarmed. It's okay. It's okay. You want that higher low. You really do. You could see it come down as low as 37.11. It's okay. You got above that 50% retrace. You hit the 382. Hit overhead resistance. Understand, if you can get this bullish back test, this bullish 5-0 here, and then push your way up to 41 to either anywhere between 40 and 41.89, then we're cooking. Then we're cooking. If you stop here and go lower, that's going to be a problem. But You could see this thing rally up as high as 44.39. Let's say you get that 50% retrace. You could see another 19% upside on AVAX. AVAX looking solid. Just needs to keep looking solid. Just keep looking good. Don't you start looking bad. And noted, it is doing a pretty good thing with the higher lows here. So you would expect it to get up to 64 relatively soon. You just got to break this demand line. No big deal. But yeah, AVAX looking good. Looks like it's starting a fresh new uptrend, continuing the upside. And also, I am very biased on AVAX. I do hold a lot of AVAX. I think AVAX is going to do extraordinarily well this bull run, but we just have to wait and see for the bids to come in. I'm super biased. Did I do DGen yet? Yes, DZ, and it looks super bullish, so enjoy the gains. Could see that thing going up like 3 to 4x. But yeah, this thing, 19% upside if you get that 50% retrace, I think is a good starting point. No problem, Nikita. No problem. By the way, I do highly recommend anybody new here, definitely join the Discord. You get free trade setups, free updates, free everything, free. And what is this? This is the member one. Oh no, you found it. All right, so just a reminder, on my Discord, completely free section. I post trade setups every time I find them. I posted 3 today, and well, it turned into a bullish day, so they all kind of worked out. Just throwing it out there. If you want some free setups and things and like-minded individuals, join the Discord. Link is in the description down below, and it would be great to have you all in there. Really, how long did you do DGen? I'll rewind the video. 4 charts ago? So I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes? Maybe 10 minutes? Something like that. Alrighty. So yeah, AVAX, this is what I see. AVAX is looking good. Just looks like some consolidation ahead. Be ready for that. Can't beat a free setup. Exactly. Exactly. You do not have to pay for trade setups. I want you all to make a ton of money. I just hope you guys decide to help support the channel at some point in time after I start helping you make some money. That is my entire goal here. Actually, my goal is just to help people make money. And also don't become exit liquidity. That's the real goal. I hate it when people are like for instance, oh, buy now, like don't miss out, and then all of a sudden it falls 40 to 50%. It's like, miss out on what? You just made everybody become exit liquidity. It's terrible. ICP, I got you. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and check out Zeus next. I mean, yes, this is a for-profit channel and all, but also I'm just hoping you guys could learn something while being here. And if you do learn something, hit the like button. Let's get some likes in the house. Maybe subscribe to the channel. Huh. Did I get that level right? No, I didn't. There it is. There it is. So we got an honorable mention. If you're going to be here every day, do at least one live trading show. That will get your sub pump. You want me to just do live trading one day? The only problem with live trading is like I'll go high leverage and then everybody's going to start dropping requests. I'm going to be like, nope, can't do it. Got to stare at this trade. You bought 200 in ILV? Hey, worth the gamble there. 45x could be coming. Definitely worth it. All right, you are range bound on Zeus right now in the worst type of way. Degen 20 minutes ago. Oh, Juan, it was 20 minutes ago now? Got it. On your daily looks solid. Oh, shit. What would I mark it like this? There you go. Beautiful breakout. Very nice. Very nice. You got more than that 50% retrace, but you found a lot of support around there. Sweet. Daily's looking pretty good. Bullish control zone. Let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hour, you're pretty high in the bullish control zone. Could be better. You might be seeing some consolidation overnight. That's annoying. Check out the 1 hour. Definitely going to see consolidation overnight. Double down too. Double down what, on my trades? So we very well could see this thing come down. Andreas, is the market going to keep dropping? Not right now. Can I look at Coca-Cola stock? Sure. Want to buy because vitamin water is your favorite drink? All right. Well, actually, if we are about to go into a recession, soda is a really good thing to buy. Don't tell Porky what to do with his trades. No, double bottom on the 4 hour. Oh, that's what you're saying. Got it. So right now on Zeus, I could see this thing come down to 79.22 before seeing a continuation to the upside, just because it is overbought on the 1 hour. You do not have bearish divergence, and honestly, this thing could be going up somewhere between 111.64 as well as going up to 129.42. The live trade show is just a way to get subs faster. All you need is 1 day a week. That would be interesting. Coke is a dividend stock. What, really? You get dividends from Coke? Who would have thought? I didn't know you did. Wow. Who would have thought? Well, yeah, if you're going into a recession, soda, fast food, alcohol, marijuana, things like that, they do extremely well. Can I look at HBAR? Is it bullish? Alex, HBAR is very bullish. It is like hyper bullish. Yeah, we can circle back around. How's CKB? We'll check it out. Happy New Year, Flip Coins. Happy New Year. HBAR, CKB. All right, right when I thought we were like close to the end. Guys coming in hot. FWOG. By the way, anybody new to the stream, if you are enjoying the stream, please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join us. Absolutely insane how this was playing out. That is crazy, but it does look like we're going to stop early. So I was looking for that 44% downside. Looks like we're finding support already. Let's go ahead and check the daily. I gave you a bullish case, but man, oh man, did that bearish case really start playing out. Oh, shit. Yeah, you're probably going to come down to 20343. That is a likely possibility. Currently 3.2% buffed is making more annually on dividends than what he invested by the stock decreases decades ago. Wow. Buffett's making more on the dividends than what he made on the stock. That's crazy. That is absolutely insane. Jesus. Warren Buffett, that guy is wild. So you can see how this nice little Flip Coins. Thank you so much for the $4.99 super chat. Thank you so much. I will go to your coin next, CKB. Got you covered, buddy. Thank you very much. Why didn't I get an alert for that? Are my alerts just not working suddenly? That's messed up. Free is rare? Well, Bitcoin dropped below 85 in January. As of right now, I do not think it will. Noted, things can change. But as of this moment, no, I don't believe it's going to happen. Definitely best trade possibility you can make is buy 2x leverage BRK, B shares. Well, I guess more of a hold. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Let me... CKB is next. Dropping it there. Getting rid of it here. FWOG, we're getting rid of that. But, alright, so FWOG right now on the daily, you're not oversold at all. You are underneath a local level of support sitting at 25,872. If you happen to break back above it, then we can count this as a bullish backtest on a demand line, which would be great to say. Let's check out the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, you are deep in that bearish control zone. There's a possibility you pop on out of this as long as the market stays as bullish as it is. But if we get Bitcoin to pull back even slightly, I would expect FWOG to come down to this 20343 as a strong level of support. We could then deem this as a measured move to the downside and get rid of it. But after that, where could this thing go? I would be looking for that bearish 5-0 where it could be moving on up somewhere in the neighborhood of 47277 or 47184, something like that. So let's just say you do get this bullish back test. You could see the rally come up right here. 129% upside. Could happen. So let's see what happens on FWOG. Let's see if you break to the upside here or if you do come down to support. Kind of up in the air. There's a guy using Fibonacci to say MicroStrategy going to at least $600 end of January. Please let me know if that's just a cap. I will check that out for you, James. MicroStrategy. MSTR. But first we got to check out CKB. So this is what I see out of FWOG. Hopefully you don't get mad at me over the technically bearish news, but it'll be bullish soon enough. Bullish soon enough. All right, CKB. Let's check out CKB. First off, let's get rid of this. So that didn't pan out. We got a great thing. You got a bullish backtest on 9072. Sweet. Let's go out to the daily here real quick. I think I need to redraw some things. Get rid of that. Bring this up. Had that. No, I don't. Depends on BTC. If we moon, yes, we can double in price. That's true. It does depend on BTC right now because everybody even forgot what MicroStrategy does as a business, which I find that to be the funniest thing in the world. All right, looking at your daily, you're deep in the bearish control zone. Looks like you could be catching some bids right now. You're underneath your 200 simple moving average. So, of course, I'm going to be looking at this as a bearish scenario because you're underneath other resistances. So 2 different levels to look at this from, which I think you already hit that first bearish 5-0 twice. No, you didn't. You never got there. All right, 2 areas you could be looking at going for this particular asset. You could be going up 18%, or this could be the start of a bigger thing, going up 85%. CKB looking pretty good. Gosh, BTC is already volatile enough. MicroStrategy is just BTC on leverage, increasing its volatility. Currently 1.8x fair value. Right. Symbol mad. What's up, Simon? How you doing? It's only so that Sailor can sell overvalued stock to buy more Bitcoin. I mean, it's true. That's exactly what he's doing. So everybody's thinking that's going to be the next Black Swan event, is when MicroStrategy all of a sudden starts losing money because we hit a bear market. It's going to be interesting to see how things go. It is going to be interesting. Deep, dark pullbacks. It's what the crypto space is used to. You're good, Simon? I'm glad you're doing good. So wait, Simon, was that a request? MAD, mad? I'm confused. Yeah, this thing does look like it can rally. That's surprising. You are not overbought on the 1 hour. This thing could actually rally overnight. You currently look like you're on a breakout too. You are currently on a breakout as well. Yes? Okay, gotcha. Gotcha, Simon. I didn't know. I actually had no idea. So you would be looking at this as a second move. You had one move here, looking for the second move. So anywhere between this 18% and 22% upside could be happening in the very near future for CKB. This is what I'm seeing. Hopefully that helps you out, Adrian. But yeah, I would be going long. Let's check your 15-minute. Oh, hell yeah, I'd be going long. For sure going long. Stop loss right down here at 11367. Oh, I'd be going big time long. Sheesh. I only got to worry about 4%. I could go 20x on this thing. Oh, that's great. That is great. That looks good. Speaking of trades, let's check out OM. We've been pulling back harshly. We're only up 67%. We were up so much more earlier. Still looking for it to hit our level. Still looking for it. Still haven't been able to look at it either. Alrighty. Going into MicroStrategy next. So MicroStrategy, let's go out to the daily. MSTR. MicroStrategy. So let's check and see what it could do here. Oof. It's quite the pullback. MicroStrategy, yikes. However, I think this is normal, considering you were just rocket ship. Yeah, completely normal. Not really a big deal. You're resetting your indicators right now. I do think there are people trying to, no, actually, I think the sell pressure is probably Michael Saylor selling off his stock to buy more Bitcoin, honestly. I think that's what it is. And or he's diluting his stock. That would be my guess. We'll see in the next, I don't know, week or so. But we do have support. Sitting right here. We have support sitting at 265.99. And pulling out your Fibonacci, I mean, yeah. You could see this thing go up to 662 to 811. Possibility is there. It is there. So I can see exactly what they're looking at. If you hold above 265, you get a breakout of this downtrend. Oh yeah, this thing could keep going. MicroStrategy it's crazy. It's 148 to 205%. That is crazy. Can be Sailor selling. Yeah, seriously. Yo, Happy New Year, Simple Animal TV. Happy New Year. Leverage shares would go crazy. It would. So that would be another thing you got to worry about is if they try and liquidate the longs, you could see MicroStrategy back down to 179. If you lose 179, well, then you're looking at more than likely 104. You're definitely buying 300 on leverage shares? That's pretty funny. Hey, it's always worth the gamble, right? And considering this administration coming in, say we do have a dip on Inauguration Day, I'm expecting this bull run is probably going to be the biggest bull run in crypto history. So, yeah, I think this one's going to be a big one, guys. Others just broke the downtrend. Now uptrend. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. It's usually how it goes. But we have to beat out that bearish 5-0 to bearish 786. If we can beat that out, get that higher low, oh man, we doing good. You're talking about total 3? Yeah, the altcoins really do need to catch up. They really need to catch up. So we should see an alt season soon. We're checking out C-Pool next. So checking out C-Pool. C-Pool, still in your downtrend. You have not tested support down there. However, things have changed in the market. We could see this thing go up. But we're still in a downtrend. Still bearish. Still bearish. Now, what could happen here? Let's bring it down low. We're already about to test that bearish 5-0. Can I check total 3? Sure. We'll check it. So we're about to hit that bearish 5-0. We're still in bullish control zone for C-Pool. This is the only thing that's making me think we could continue down because we have not, and I repeat, have not back-tested 32 cents as support. So possibilities are still there. And now, with this move up, let's see what your 4-hour looks like. If you have a high relative strength, oof, could be bad. Right now, it doesn't look bad on the relative strength. Does not look bad. Let's see if we can get back above that 50 simple moving average, and let's see if we start going up. Noted, you can still bearishly backtest this demand line. I stay bearish until broken out. I stay bearish until broken out. This has a lot of work to do. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, you are almost in overbought territory. Almost. You are currently testing that 200 simple moving average, and on your 15-minute, we are already starting to see the first sign of bearish divergence. Let's see if it can cancel out with a nice move to the upside. Let's see if it can cancel out. If it can't, oof. It's going to be a bad time. It's going to be a bad time, okay? But nice move to the upside so far. It's just very sharp. So that's what I see out of C-Pool. Currently speaking, you do have a higher low. That is currently. C-Pool has a head and shoulders on the 4-hour. I didn't even look for that. I don't usually play the head and I don't see it. I don't see the head and shoulders. What do I think of Aereo? Is it a good time to buy or will it drop a bit more? I'm not sure. We will check. Aereo. We will check that one. I don't see this as a head and shoulders. It doesn't really look like a head and shoulders to me. It just looks like downsloping consolidation. No problem, Milk. No problem. But yeah, so right now we're seeing if you can actually break out of this demand line. IMX, if you have time, please. Sure, Rich, we got you. And Rich, you understand how this works. You are a member. I don't know why you say if you have time, because you are next. Hold on. I think I fucked up. Who asked for Coca-Cola? I definitely fucked up. There's only one person asking for stocks in here, and that's James. I'm sorry, James. We'll check out Coca-Cola next, and then we'll check out IMX. That's my bad. That's my bad. I messed up. You know what, IMX forever? Well, Immutable X, when gaming's big, IMX is going to be absolutely insane. It is a very good gaming platform. So yeah, C-Pool right now, I'm just cautiously optimistic. You're going to get some form of breakout, but it's not looking good. Not looking good. I did, you're good. Yeah, my bad, James. That's on me. That's on me. I think I got sidetracked. It was right after we talked about, like, Warren Buffett or something. And yeah. Yeah, I flipped your short of C-Pool. You flipped it. I don't know if you should do that. If you continue getting lower highs, you're still going to be just fine to the downside. But, hey, I understand. What about Spell and Blast? Nell, you are on the list. Don't you worry. Spell and Blast are there. We're almost to it, too. We just got to check out Coke, IMX, Congo, Bone. Then we're on Spell and Blast. You're just waiting for that 4-hour bearish div. So going to break the div. Hold a long on C-Pool now. Alrighty. Alrighty. Well, yeah, so C-Pool, I just want to see if it's going to hit this demand line and keep pulling back. We shall see. Hope it goes to 50 cents so you can take 50% profit. We'll see if it does. That 50%, that 50 cents, it's going to be a hard move for it. We stay bullish, it'll get there. We don't, probably won't. Let's check out Coke. The hell? God, Coke just doesn't go down, does it? Jesus. I've never looked at Coke's stock. I know, but we will see. Still are in profits, free trade. Okay, I got you. All right, Coca-Cola's support is sitting down here. You tried to pull back. You got out of overbought territory, and now you're moving. So you have a new level of support right there. Coca-Cola, split your damn shares. What are we doing here? $1,259 Coke? That's insane. Insanity. I've actually never looked at this stock. Yeah, you're in neutral territory. You're starting the next leg up. Holy shit. That is nuts. That is absolutely nuts right now. Because you look at this just like this. You grabbed a 50% retrace and you popped right up. Oh my gosh. 1537 to 1738 are your targets? Oh my god. Why? Cool. Like what? 22.5 to possibly 38% upside. That is absolutely wild. Is the US ticker symbol but yeah, Coke. Maybe better? Hold on, I thought I was on the US ticker. Yeah, I chose the NASDAQ. It's all countries that have Coca-Cola, I think. Yeah, I chose the NASDAQ. I always choose the US ticker. This is the US. Could see 38% upside. $62 a share. Where the hell did you find that? What? Yeah, I'm sorry. I see this thing at 1700 or sorry, 1259 a share. That's insanity. Oh, that's what you're I thought you were just saying cool. Got it. Okay. Oh, that was scary right there. I was like, the fuck is this? Oh, this looks more normal. Okay, that's good. That's good. It still looks like it's going up, getting ready for its next leg higher. But that was crazy. Oh boy. Oh, look at that beautiful. Look, that is. Oh, that's a dream right there. Holy smokes. Oh my god, that is. Oh, just like a chef's kiss. You missed Coke like that, Head and Shoulders, I guess. 27 to 39% upside. Same shit. We're good. Okay, we still like you. Well, that's good. That's good. But no, yeah, this thing looks really solid on the weekly, even. Who would have thought? Who would have thought?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
I mostly need to wait.
You what?
I mostly need to wait until Athena was sleeping.
That's fine.
Bye.
Bye. But alright, so this thing actually looks really good for upside, and there's your uptrend. That's phenomenal. That is absolutely phenomenal. Checking out the daily time frame. Yeah, it just looks like you're about to go up. Shit. I'm guessing you're going to break out sometime tomorrow. Maybe the next day. I'm thinking of buying 100 shares of Coke. Do it. Do it. Well, Co. Okay, gotcha. Freaking do it. Thing looks great. Oh, it's a symmetrical triangle too? Oh, no way. No way, brother. That's good. DZ, are you able to look at Hades AI by Virtual? I don't know. We can try. We can try. Hades AI. We'll give it a shot. We'll give it that good old college try. But yeah, nice little reversal, looking like it's coming in hot. I could see this thing going up at least 27% in the near future. By near future, I mean by like June. Maybe 6 months. I don't know. Stocks move slow. I wouldn't deem this as a bear flag. Not at all. It's definitely not a bear flag. Bear flags usually are not. No. I wouldn't deem this as that. You never have a down sloping on a bear flag. You'll have an up sloping or flat. I wouldn't deem this as a bear flag. Real-time comparisons, you like to watch it? Yeah, that's fine. With this, yeah, definitely not. I'm crashing out in 3 months? Wait, what? If I ever make 2 million in crypto, I'm gonna get the F out of America and move to Asia and retire? Why would you move to Asia for retirement? Like, what part of Asia? Only 2 million? I feel like crypto is so passive that it's like, why ever quit? Just start staking. Alright, well, this is what I see out of Coke. Let's move on to IMX. Invert it, it would be a bull flag. No, once again, it's symmetrical triangle. I would not deem it as a bull flag. I would be like, it's symmetrical, it can go either way. Either way. That's the problem with symmetrical triangles. The cost of living is cheap. Okay. Japan would be cool. 2+ million. All right, 2+ million. Now, the cool thing, if you have enough, you can just start staking everything, and it's fine. Huh. IMX trying to maintain higher lows? That's nice. All you have to do is stay above 142. As long as you stay above 142, you're doing pretty good. Japan's expensive, bro? Is it? I don't know. I've never been there. So I actually have no idea if it would be expensive or not. See there, you almost got to that bearish 5-0 and you pulled straight back. But you are uptrending. I think this could have the possibility of being really good right now. Immutable X. You do have the higher low going for you. It's nice to see. That is a deep retracement. Whoa, wait a minute. How deep is that retracement? You got your 786 and you're holding. This is a nice site. Nice site. Bearish control zone. That's great. Let's go ahead and check. Oh, no. No. Let's go ahead and check and see if you do get the breakout, where this price could be going. Could be seeing it jumping up. Oh, FYI, if you have 1 million laying around, you should be getting 40K a year from interest. So technically, if you have 2 or 3, you would be good to retire unless you blow your money on coke and hose. That's pretty funny. Go to Cayman Islands like Ron Paul. You don't pay taxes there. That's fair. Yeah, Hong Kong and Singapore. Really? I thought Singapore wasn't as expensive. I'm completely wrong. Message: parlors do a good job in Japan too. Oh, massage parlors. Golly, I can't read. I'm getting just oof. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. No bullish div. Got a little bit of a local downtrend you got to break out of right here. Trying to break out. So we could actually see this thing. We could see IMX rally pretty strongly. I would be looking for 25% upside. That is my thought on IMX right now. That's what I would personally be looking for. If you can get this breakout. Your 4 hours saying you can do it. Your 1 hour is in the bullish control zone. Not overbought yet. Checking out the 15-minute. Dude, Singapore is one of the most expensive places to live on Earth. Oh, shit. I did not know. I travel nowhere. I travel inside of the U.S. I literally go nowhere. Once my kids get older, we'll see if I can change that. Take the wife on some wonderful trips. We'll see. But until then, I gotta make sure my kids aren't little assholes. So I'm gonna be raising them as if we are broke as fuck. That is what I'm gonna be raising them up as. Cars cost 3.5x. New Camry is like 150K. Is it 150K in their currency, or is that converted into US currency? Because I know the yen, it's not very good. Yep, this is what I see out of IMX. Your 15-minute is not overbought. You're probably gonna do this weird chugging along to the upside. It's gonna be slow moving, but it's gonna be moving. Ooh, OM still retreating. Oh gosh. Should have gotten out of that a long time ago, I guess. Looking at Congo next. Congo. Damn, that's a lot for a Camry. Alright, brand new token of Congo. Let's go to the daily and let's do our best. Remember, it's probably not going to be accurate, but we're going to try. We are going to try. Instead of Disneyland Florida, go to Disneyland Paris with kids. Really? Is it that much better? I heard Disneylands around the world are a lot different experiences. So is it really that much better? Couldn't quite get that third touch, could you? Oh, wait a second. Okay, we'll say you did. You got the third touch. I would expect some upside. This is what I don't like. When it accelerates down like this, I'm not a big fan of that. But I do like that you got 3 touches on the bottom. It isn't better, but you get out of US, that's why. Oh, I gotcha. So we hit the 786. I like to see that for Congo. Let's now look at the... Let's go to the 4 hour. See what we got. Do we have bullish div or anything? I guess technically we got bullish divergence. Using the kids as an excuse. It'd have to be some good ass kids for me to take them out of the country. The reason why Singapore is so expensive is because their country is clean AF. You can spit or you can't spit or litter. Emission down, so their people can live longer and healthier. That's cool. Not trying to harp on it, but Chat and Gronk agrees with me. KO chart. Remember, I'm studying TA styles. I watched to learn. Oh, no problem. So all the rich people flock to Singapore? Oh, nice. My whole thing is, if you're seeing a triangle at the top or the bottom, it makes it to where you're more likely to go either direction rather than continue to that same direction. That's my entire thing. Like, ChatGPT and Grok could say whatever they want. It's just what I've seen in the charts. It's like what I pointed out yesterday with Solana. Same thing. It's like, oh, we got a symmetrical triangle after a huge downtrend. This could change this could be a reversal. Like, it's just what happens. But to call it a bear flag? No, I don't agree with that. Because bear flags to me are either sideways or they're up sloping. They are not a triangle. To find a triangle in that's not a flag. Period. It's just not. You could find a wedge. Like if you find a nice upsloping wedge, a rising wedge pattern, yeah, I could see that. But not a bear flag. Checking out Congo on the 1 hour. Do we have it? No. Damn it, we couldn't get some bullish divergence. Oof. This one, I literally have no idea where it could go. Reason being is because it's like, you're kind of at a consolidation range, but also you could still fall to the bottom. I don't have any freaking clue on this one. You would have to wait for it to break either up or down, but until then, you're in a little weird range here because you bearishly backtested and you're holding support. No idea where this thing could be going. So bullish and bearish case. Let's just say you do break to the upside. You're going to be looking for that bearish 5-0. You could be going up just above resistance, sitting at 9692. However, if you go to the downside, that support level is low. Oh boy. So if you go to the downside, you could see Congo going down to 3067. So Congo's a weird one. I don't like it just because of where you're sitting. I don't like it. Think you'll hit 1K sub before end of the month? I hope so. That would be fantastic. That would be fantastic. Talking about spit and litter, remember that in Switzerland you cannot flush your toilet at night if you live in an apartment. Weird AF. You better do it before 9 p.m., I guess, or it will smell? What? There are some weird things around there. Actually, I just found out here in California, if I get caught speeding up PCH, depending on how fast I'm going, they can charge me $500 for that. It's crazy. Didn't know that. I'll just not wipe my ass then. Oh gosh, that's funny. So yeah, Congo, I am at a loss. If you're going to go up or down, I have no clue. You are trading sideways right now. You're in a pattern. Wait for a break to the up or downside before making any type of decisions on this. You literally could go up or down. No idea. All right, going to Bone next. And then we got Spell and Blast after that. Hold on. Why did I put 30% down? Oh, there was a wedge there. And we over exceeded it. Sweet. So we can get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. All of it, because it played out. We're good. We are back in the consolidation range. If we can get a higher low, that's going to be absolutely amazing. So Bone right now on the weekly, all you got to do is stay above 37.31. You technically have a level of support. You hate Spell. That's funny. You technically have a level of support right here from these previous weekly high candle closes. Lost hella money on that POS. Oh no. Checking out your daily. So daily time frame. This is quite interesting here. Looks like you're trying to reset right now. Is that a wedge? Hold the phone. Is it? I guess you could argue that. Weird. Fight any traffic ticket via written declaration. Cali allows it. Hold on, what? You can fight any ticket with a written declaration. I don't understand what a written declaration is. I'm going to have to look some stuff up. Dang, Steve. Spell got huge upside. Of course it does. It fell a lot. Oh, we're getting a breakout right now for Bone. That's cool. Breakout happening right now for Bone. We could see this thing starting a brand new uptrend. We could see it. So as long as we keep this uptrend, we're good. We're solid. Sell. No P. Spell equals sell. No P. That's funny. That's funny. So your 4 hour, you're still in your bearish control zone, trying to break to the upside. We could see this thing start moving. Ooh, your 1 hour doesn't look great. 1 hour's not looking great. Looking like it wants to try and consolidate a lot more. Alright, that's fine. Let's check the 15 minute. How does it feel? 15 minute has just moved to the bullish side. So I do think Bone is ready to start moving. Leave it on the counter out there. I'll take a picture of it and send it. Yeah. I'll take a picture and send it tomorrow, alright? Bye. Well, let's go ahead and check out where the bearish move could be. Then let's check out the bullish move. So a bearish move, we could see this thing rally up 57.58, 56, 58. What is that? 56, 57.56. This could be moving 30% upside. On the other hand, if we are getting that beautiful trend reversal, I'm going to have to take a brief intermission. I'm going to have to say goodnight to my daughter, but we could see this thing going up 94 to even 126%. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'm going to be right back. But next, we're going to be getting into Spell. DZ's, one of DZ's hated tokens. I will be right back. Spell does have a ton of upside. Anyways. All right, I'm back. I'm back, everybody. All right, so we do have a breakout here. Nice to see. Bearish, we're looking for a move all the way up to 9602. I need water. I think I'm getting tired from all that cardio I did today. Starting to lose my mind. Huh. Interesting look here on Spell. But I do like that it held support at 7336. We could even argue a trending fib could be used. But that's your bearish case at the 24% upside. Your bullish case for Spell. We could be seeing a test at 15268. Wouldn't even be weird. 98% upside. That's what I'm seeing out of Spell here, everybody. Daily looks ready for it. Let's see what the 4 hour looks ready for a big move as well. That's great. You hate oh gosh. So many that you hate. That's wild. 4 hour looks pretty solid. 1 hour, you're pretty high. Expect a bit of consolidation tonight. Might be ready to jump into these trades in the morning. You could even get a nice bullish back test. Checking out 15 minute. 15 minute looks fine. You could go up, could go down, could go sideways. Could really do whatever it wants. It's sitting in that bullish control zone, just relaxing. So yeah, that is Spell right now. Not looking bad at all. Let's go ahead and refresh real quick. Y'all did absolutely crazy on the likes. Thank you so much for that. We're at 960 on the subs. Amazing. Thank you guys. We are 40 away from 1K. 40 away from us locking in the OG squad. All right, let's check out Blast next. Whew, we still got to go into like ICP, HBAR, MAD, Total 3, Aereo, and Hades. Sheesh. We've been live for 2 hours and 49 minutes. Oh, we've been going. Anyone you know own a Rivian? No, nobody that I know. Chewy. No one at all. Rivian is the ETH to the Tesla BTC, right? Maybe. I don't know. I just know that Rivian is, they're manufactured in San Diego, I believe. The problem with Rivian, it's like, they decided to be a truck. Damn, DZ, you should pack it up over the next year. You ain't going to like when the market goes up and you can't be upset. I hope you get your money back 100x though. On the real. Seriously. Get that money back. I'm going to put 2 honorable mentions here for Blast. Wait. Nope, that is a level right there. There we go. I'm not going to worry about honorable mentions. So, Blast is in a great accumulation range right now, in my opinion. You have hit this level a few times, and now you're starting to see the higher low forming. Nice to see that. Let's check your daily. Man, daily has been beaten down, but you're starting a new uptrend. So that's nice. It's really nice. There was your downtrend. You're breaking out of it. Confirmed your lows. You held what was once resistance as support. Held support. You couldn't touch it again. The sellers gave up. So, I do like this as long as you're above 8272. I do really like this. You have a new uptrend here, which is great to see. Going from here to here. But actually, I would probably do it right here. If I'm being honest, that's what I would do because you did break out. So, let's see where this thing can go. If you get a breakout of that 10085, you're expecting 14725 or even 2198. But on a bearish 5-0, if you're trying to trade this thing, you're going to be focused in on that right there. 28% upside. And then on the bullish case, you're going to be looking for, overhead 21985. That is what you would really be looking for. 134% upside. Past that, you could see a few more levels. We'll wait and see. But this looks pretty darn okay. I'll be back in 2027 to buy back in for your 4th bull run. Wild. So glad to see you. I was stuck on another channel. Can you look at Maneki if time? Sure, we can check out Maneki. So this is what I'm seeing at a Blast. Somewhere between 28 and 134% upside. Absolute wildness in this market. Bull run on, baby. Bull run on. Alright, looking at ICP coming in next. Got nothing bad to say here. ICP doing wonders. Got your breakout on a bearish 5-0. We're looking at 11.55.8. But what is really likely to happen, considering this is just another higher low, you didn't even get the low from where you started the rally. You could look at this as an 886. Oh boy. Or down just a little bit. Yeah, you could look at this as an 886. Crazy. Craziness. So, to see ICP getting back up to 1569 does not seem weird in my opinion, but we need to break back above that 50 simple moving average on the daily. Your 4 hour looks pretty solid. Looks like you're going to at least get that 50% retrace, maybe even the 382. So I could see this thing going up to bearishly backtest that 200 on the 4 hour. 12.88% to the upside in the short and near term. Your 1 hour looking to consolidate a bit. You're in the overbought territory. You're high in that bullish control zone. So I would be looking at this in the morning just to see what it could do tomorrow. Looking at your 15-minute, looks like you're just trending sideways. Just trending sideways up. It is kind of a rising wedge. I don't like the rising wedges. Really don't. I used to be a big-time wedge trader, and every single time I saw this, I would instantly put in shorts. Instantly. Put in shorts right away because it was probably the easiest thing for me to trade back then, and you'd be looking for a 2.21% downside. Noted on the flip side, if this thing breaks to the upside, it goes very fast, and you see short squeezes happen. So you could actually look at this as something kind of like this, but what's a lot more likely to happen is just a nice little move to the upside like this. So you'd be looking at this 11.096 to play out. Play it in between. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing out of ICP. You have a bullish and bearish case. The only reason you do have a bullish case is because this relative strength on the 15-minute might try pushing you up, but that's a big might. I would expect a lot more consolidation, though. A lot more. All right. Moving along to HBAR. So HBAR, we said it earlier, we were looking for a 50% retrace. I guess we're getting it. Oh shit, I should probably check my trade again. We're only up 50% now. Oh no, we were up so much more before. But it looks like we're getting that 50% retrace on that too. Anyways, as long as HBAR holds 28,727, we could see this thing rally massively. We're looking for something like 30% upside. Could I do Pepe? Sure, we can do Pepe again. Got you covered. So we are looking at something in the realm of this 30% upside. Why did I choose 30%? Oh, it's up to 30% upside. So we could see something anywhere between this 1449, even as high as 30% upside move, if we can stay above this 28,727 level. That's all we got to do. And with this 4 hour looking like a springboard for price action, I'm kind of expecting that 30% to play out sooner than later. And noted, HBAR is kind of set for the possibility of getting up to anywhere between 46 and 55 cents. Could even test 57.168. So HBAR sitting in a very good place. Very good place. Let's check out MAD. MAD. Oh, we got the breakout and the back test. Oh, shit. Sweet. This is an extremely easy one for me to look at. We broke out of a falling wedge. We're holding support. We're trending up. 164% upside is the measured move. I don't know if you're looking to trade this like as a scalp trade or something, but as long as you stay above 2350, you're golden for tons of upside. Killing it with the consistent streams. Thanks for checking all the charts. Dr. Techno, no problem. I am definitely doing my best to be here every single day. So we're going to keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. Looking at your 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 1 hour's uptrending. Very nice. You're above your 200 at the moment, but you have that 50 coming up to push you up, which means your 15 probably looks beautiful. Yep, it definitely looks pretty good. Definitely looking pretty good. You could come down and test that 200 simple moving average, but as long as you stay above 2558 for the scalp trader, you're doing just fine. Got a couple targets here, but in reality, I would honestly be looking for MAD to go up and test this 5499 level. Get on up there, buddy. You did a good job. You broke out. You held support. Get moving. Enjoy. Get those gains. Oh, man. Didn't even get the bullish div. Sheesh. Anyway. Moving along. Total 3. Somebody requested total 3. Oh, man. When I'm done with this list, I'll tell you what. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. Oh, man. Bait is back. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, Bait. How you doing today? All right, so total 3 has some work to do. We are hitting the demand line. We are hitting it. Oh, wait. Are we? No. Are we? We're broken out? What the hell are we doing? We're hitting it. SIA coin, got you. SC, that's what it is. Got you covered, Bait. Alright, so right now, total 3 is hitting overhead resistance. It really needs to get that breakout. Needs to, but sadly, we could see it retrace a little bit. You're right now at the top of the range. We could go back to the bottom of the range. Remember, we stay bearish if we are not broken out. We stay bearish if not broken out. Your 4 hour is not overbought, so we are expecting a breakout, but we need the breakout and we need the confirmation, damn it. We could see this thing fall back down to 961 billion before the breakout, but it could happen. I'm good. Waiting on your coin to break out. Been DCAing for 3 years. Average cost is 6 cents. Holy moly. 3 years of DCAing? That is wild, Bait. That's a long time. That's dedication right there. I'll tell you what. That is dedication. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour overbought. I'm expecting that 50% retrace. So expect your favorite altcoins to possibly go down. The 50% retrace from the rally today, which noted that's only a 2.59% downside. It's not that big a deal. Relax. But then after that, I'm expecting it to go back up to 1.05 trillion. Get that breakout, baby. We'll see if it does. So that's total 3. Let's check out Aereo. Yeah. Aerodrome Finance. Not a bad move on the 1 hour. Not bad at all. Check out your daily here. Oh, very nice. Get rid of that. Very, very nice. Nice downtrend. Broken out of the downtrend. So like we've been viewing all night, we have the idea of a bearish 5-0 first, and then we go from there. Bearish 5-0 move for Aerodrome. We're looking for this thing to rally up about 24%, but this is still considered a higher low. So what is likely to happen? Very likely, you could see something in the realm of this, where you come up to $2.65 or even $3.05. Very nice. Your daily can do it. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame, you're just now entering the bullish control zone. This thing has some legs. It could keep running. Let's go ahead and check the 1 hour. 1 hour, you're not overbought yet. It does look like you might consolidate once hitting your 200 simple moving average. Checking out the 15. 15, you're now getting bearish divergence. So this is where I start saying, hey, we're probably going to see that 50% retrace. So let's just say you stop where you are. You could see this thing come back down to somewhere in the neighborhood of 138.5. This is all that I'm seeing out of Arrow. Could be a nice little retracement coming, giving you an opportunity at a much better entry for a long. And can you check CKB? Oh yeah, we checked CKB earlier. That looks bullish as hell. That looks crazy good. Looks really good, honestly. But yeah, we can check that out again. Now let's see if we can find this Hades AI thing. Wonder what Asia's going to do. They're probably going to do whatever they want. Hades AI on Sol. Okay, we cannot find Hades AI. We found Hades, but is Hades WAP? That's all we can find. So sorry to say, we can't check that chart. Moving along, Maneki. Now, Maneki, I have been on Maneki's nuts for the past, few days. It started moving. We have two targets for Maneki. You have the 25% move to the upside, but let's go out to the 4 hour here. But Maneki on a common retrace. Joel got you. AIOZ. All right. So Maneki on a common retrace, we could see this thing rally up 122%, provided you stay above 4841 now. Absolute crazy retracement is possible for Maneki based off the downtrend you've been in and now that you've broken out. Maneki, I am all over the Maneki nuts over here, thinking you're about to get that move. I'm going to even get rid of this because there's no point in that. I'm not even in the trade. But we could see that 122%. And if you stop short, 10198 is the target. Maneki looking good. 4 hour, you're just now entering the bullish control zone. You have the legs to run. Your 1 hour is not overbought yet. Your 15-minute is overbought. Expect some consolidation, maybe even a slight pullback before seeing much more upside. Maneki looking solid. Really good. Checking out Pepe again. Pepe is going to be real quick. We did look at it earlier. So let's see what it's doing now. Pepe is taking a little retrace. No big deal. Not a big deal. Relax. You're still up 3.2%, 3.3, whatever. You're up. We're looking for Pepe to go up 14%, getting you up to 2274 on a breakout. We are planning for a breakout for Pepe. But when we looked at it the first time, price was down here. We came up. We're coming back down a little bit. Don't worry. It's okay. We were expecting a little bit of a pullback. It's fine. We're expecting all this. OM, geez, you jerk. OM's kicking my ass right now. We were up like 115% earlier in the stream, and now it's only up a meager 39%. So pathetic. Anyways. Dude, are meme coins pumping anytime soon, or what type of narrative is going to pump next? I think the RWA ones are going to start pumping, but meme coins, they go up randomly, honestly. Big Thunder, what's the scoop? Scoop is things are going up right now. That's the scoop. HBAR down. I feel like when I covered HBAR both times, I mentioned it would have a 50% retrace. You just needed to hold above 28 cents. Give it some time, bro. Plenty of upside. I really hope nobody bought the top of that little move. I really hope not. If you're buying tops and you're in this stream, I don't know what you're doing. I really don't. Because I talk about pullbacks non-stop. Anyways, this is what I see out of Pepe. Pepe on the 15-minute is just getting into a nice buying zone. Let's check it out on the 1 hour. 1 hour is perfectly fine. This thing is more than likely going to rally throughout the night. So I do think Asia wants to push Pepe higher. Just my thought. Just my thought. Also understand this could be a bearish move where it's just slightly higher than that 50% retrace. Then it's selling off. There's always an opportunity for this thing to fall further. Back down to 1831. We always keep in mind the bearish case. Alright, everybody? Always. Can I look at Velodrome? Sure. Sure. We're checking out SC right now, but Velodrome. Alright, SC coming next. Dang, Peter knows the drill here. Holy. Hey, can you do CTX? Thank you so much for the $1.99 super chat. I appreciate the heck out of you. Yes, we will check that one out next. We'll check it out next. Alright, so SC token. Checking it out on the daily here. You came down a little bit lower than I expected, but you are still above your 200 simple moving average. You are still putting in higher lows. This is fantastic to see. I was thinking you were going to hold support above 557. You did not. You came slightly lower, but at least you held support above these candle high closes over here. At least you held that. Anyways, we are looking at two different targets. We're still looking at what the bearish 5-0 would look like. So you're looking at this right here. Possible 17% upside. Well, I guess if you're in it right now, 21% upside. But on a bullish case, you could see this thing rally up to as high as 11101. It's about a 97% move to the upside. I am still bullish right now. Even if we do have a slight pullback in the markets, I think tomorrow is going to be a bullish day. Whoa. This 21% move, though, does look like it coincides with a bearish backtest of the 200 simple moving average on the 4 hour. You are just now entering the bullish control zone, giving me a lot of faith this will go to the upside. Checking out the 1 hour, though, consolidation ahead. You could see it rally. However, you are very high in the bullish control zone on your relative strength. That's kind of a shame. 15-minute resetting, trying to get some type of leverage to go to the upside, but you just got to wait it out. The possible pullback you could be seeing here, maybe, just maybe, you come down to 5339, giving you a chance at a much better entry. So that's what I'm seeing out of SC token. Let's check out CTX next. And then we'll check out CKB on a quick check again. So CTX, oh boy, there's such, what exchange is this? Oh, not very many exchanges have it still, do they? So we're going to check it out on this exchange here. Let's go out to the weekly. Let's get rid of this real fast. Get rid of this. Get rid of all the hopium here. Get rid of this too. I don't want all this right now. All right. So checking CTX on the weekly here. Are we still in a downtrend? No, we broke out of it. Great. Now we're getting a back test of what was once resistance as support. Very nice. Not that level, obviously, but this one right here. This one. Right there. So that's what we're utilizing as support right now. Sweet. CTX has the possibility of becoming a varsity athlete. That's all I'm saying. Higher low after a breakout. Beautiful. Let's check out the daily. My, oh my. My, oh my. Oh no. I lost my MACD. Damn it. That's MACD. Alrighty. Let's try not to delete it again. Let's try not to delete it. Tau dumping hard. I mean, I said it was at resistance. You guys are wild out here. I feel like if I say something's going to pull back, you guys just don't care. But then as soon as it's like, oh, wait a minute. It's dumping. You guys are strange. You guys are strange, dog. I said it was like a straight line up. Expect a pullback. Ugh, people just don't care. I'm doing TA for no reason. Son of a bitch. It sucks. Anyways, so looking at this, CTX, you broke the downtrend, you got the higher low, but the best part about it all, look at this divergence on the MACD. This is gorgeous. You want to know why? Last time you had any negative momentum on the MACD was back here. And now you have a higher price with significantly more selling pressure. Beautiful divergence there. Hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. So, with the hidden bullish divergence, we can tell this uptrend is real. So, we can actually look at this as upside potential. The upside potential here, provided you stay above 225.97, is going up more than likely to 547.9. More than likely. But you do have some targets before that. So number one you're looking at is 93% upside. Number two, 123% upside. But the likely target, 131% upside for CTX. CTX looking solid. Looking pretty damn solid. Well, 40 to go. We are 40 to go. All right, so that's what I see out of CTX. Those of you trying to get into fresh new longs, your 4-hour looks pretty darn solid. Your 1-hour looking rough. Looking like a pullback could be happening. No big deal, though. You're not expecting a huge pullback. You're just expecting a little 50% retrace. Better entry opportunity. 230.91 could be the opportunity for you. Sweet. So that's what I'm seeing out of CTX. Hopefully that helped you out. Hopefully you're okay with the service. Let's go ahead and jump into CKB real fast. CKB. All right, CKB still going up. Wow, look at you go. Damn, son. See the benefit of not being overbought on the 1 hour? That's crazy. Anyways, we got some targets for CKB. Number one target is at 22% to the upside. Thanks, man. No problem. Here to help. But 22% upside is what we're looking at for CKB. I definitely think that is literally the next move because we already had move 1 pulled back, move 2. We're expecting that 1618. But thanks for all your hard work. Well, I appreciate that. 50 likes tonight. Well done, chat. Honestly, you guys are amazing. Now, for the longer term for CKB, I was kind of gushing over this earlier, but we could see it as a bearish move, going up 85% from where you're sitting. So CKB is looking gosh darn bullish in the short term. We'll see what it does in the longer term. I still got to keep seeing the higher lows. I got to see the trend continue. But as of right this moment, yeah, 27 to 85% upside. So hopefully this helps you out in your trading decisions. But your 4-hour time frame just now entering bullish control zone. Your 1-hour time frame not quite overbought. So this thing can continue running all night. Your 15-minute is not overbought either. You are just starting to show little bit of sign of bearish divergence, but I think it will cancel itself out. So yeah, this looks ready to rock and roll all night long. It's like the water boy. He can do it all night long. Alright, that's CKB, AIOZ, and then Velodrome. Then I'm going to sleep. So AIOZ, we checked this one out yesterday. Can I take a 4x long on CKB right now? Yeah. Yeah, you can. Let's get back to let's see where the stop loss. Oh, 4x? Dude, yeah. You're fine. You'll be perfectly 4x. Shit, brother. Just get the stop loss. Honestly, I wouldn't even put it that low. I'd have the stop loss right here. 0.11369. I'm not expecting the price to get down there at all. So I'd put the stop loss there. If you want more safety, put it as low as 0.11277. But no, a 4x, yeah, you're perfectly fine. It's only a 5%. You have the possibility of losing 20% if you actually get stopped out down there. You'll be good. You'll be good. 4x, you'll be just fine. Just fine. Oh, we're finally catching bids. Look at that. We're doing it OM. We're doing it OM. I'm going to leave that thing in all night. But yeah, so that's what I see. Let's go back to AIOZ. So, don't know when I was staring at this last time where I was calling for like up to 16% downside. We didn't even touch support. So there's that. Let's go ahead and check the 4-hour time frame. Because we broke out, we stayed out. Well, we got another breakout again. So as of right now, we have a change in data. Provided we stay above 7.4 and all those 6s. How can I trade with you? What do you mean, bait? How can you trade with me? I'm not sure what you mean. If you want to see all my trades and everything in Discord, first join the Discord. I post trade setups every time I see them. Welcome into the new members in Discord. But if you become a member on YouTube, I have this members only section here where they get to see whenever I'm entering trades all day. And you get to see what leverage I'm holding. Oh, you need my calls. Got it. Yeah, no, just join the Discord. If you wanted to like follow every trade I get into, noted. I'm not a 100% trader, but I'm not that bad either. But yeah, if you join the Discord here, I post up trade setups every day that I see them. Today I posted up 3 of them. I posted up OM, Ondo, and GFI. And yeah, every morning I usually check charts. And whenever I find a nice trade setup, I post it right here in the Discord. I alert everybody for it. So you guys can definitely just jump on in there. But for all those who become a member and they link their YouTube up to Discord, you get access to this members only, where you can end up seeing all the either bonehead mistakes or great ideas I'm doing for trade setups. I post the chart, I tell the trade setup, I'm going to start putting in where my stop loss is, where my take profit levels are, all of that, just trying to bring a little extra value, making, hopefully, if you guys decide to take those trades with me, you get to make the $5 membership back. Hopefully I can get you $5 throughout the course of a month. I feel like I will be able to, but you know, nothing's guaranteed. So, right now on AOIZ, we are looking for a bearish 5-0 first. So I would be looking for this thing to rally up. somewhere in the neighborhood of, from where you're sitting, 31%. All you have to do, stay above 7466. Very easy to understand where to put that stop loss. Going into the 1 hour. 1 hour, you look perfectly fine for way more upside. I don't even know what's going on here. You look perfectly fine for that. That was crazy. But let's check the 15. Yeah, you're ready to rock and roll all night on this one. AOIZ's ready to party. It is ready to party. For the scalp trader in the house, you could be looking at this as something in the neighborhood of moving up like this. Possibly seeing a 6.08% while we're sleeping. So you could put some leverage on this bad boy. Stop loss, I would put somewhere around this 77182. That's what I would be doing for AIOZ. Oh yeah, another thing in the Discord, guys, I do have a section where you can request charts during the day when I'm not live. So yeah, you will always get calls from me. And it's free. Just remember that. It is literally free. I'm out here helping you guys out, and surprisingly, some of you guys actually asked for some amazing charts where I'm like, oh, I can take this trade also. So trust me, I'm just farming you for information. Remember, this is a for-profit stream. If it seems free, you're the product. You get me to look at charts I otherwise would never look at. Like, bull run begins. CT. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. For altcoins, well, for everything. It's just an idea. It's clickbaity. I know. It's clickbait. Is what it is, though. All right, Velodrome. We'll get this one in. Velodrome Finance. I never look at it on the Coinbase chart, apparently. What? Go figure. I didn't know I didn't look at it on the Coinbase chart. When do I see the top? I don't have a clue. Normal bull runs. Normally Bitcoin will top out sometime around November, December. Sometime. Happy New Year, CT. How do you know? We break down trends. That's how we know, CT. We break a downtrend. We're like, oh, uptrend starting. Great. That's all it takes. Breaking a downtrend. But yeah, see, normally normal bull runs sometime this year, November, December, the bull run will start coming to an end and we'll start looking toward a bear market. I do think this time is different. I really do think this time is different. All altcoins will do over 500% this bull run. I mean, probably. Yeah. Yeah, probably. At least the ones that actually have working products. Yeah, probably. This is kind of the year where it's like you can just buy whatever the heck you want and then go back and look at it sometime around summer and then look at it again in like October. And then get locked in October. Like, this is the year for that. I'm worried? You're worried. The only thing you should be worried about is that you couldn't buy enough. That's the only thing you should be worried about right now. Worried. Jeez. You're worried you're not in the right coins. Oh no, you're fine. Noted. If you stay tuned into the channel, I'll start talking about random trends that I'm finding. Like right now, the RWA plays. I posted a video, it's 27 minutes long, and it's literally 4 coins that I'm about to start aggressively buying. I mean aggressive. Like Goldfinch, gonna be aggressively buying. What was some of the other ones? I don't know. I posted the video. There's some I'm going to be seriously aggressively buying, but the main ones you're going to want if you want huge gains this bull run are like layer ones. A layer one is going to be, it's like a slam dunk. It's simple. It's easy. Go buy some Blast. Go buy AVAX. Go get FTM, now Sonic, Solana, Caspa, Cadena. I mean, shit. There was things being built on OP, and it's a layer 2 for Ethereum. There's so many different opportunities out there. It's hard to be like, oh, I think I'm in the wrong one. No, it'll have its turn. It'll have its turn. Don't you worry. Oh, shit. Bait, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Cass, Neo, do you want me to look at Caspa again? Oh, we can look at it. I don't mind. We'll go to it. Here's a downtrend. We broke out. Great. Do we? No, we don't. Okay, cool. So, needless to say, this is a higher low. You used former resistance as support 3 separate times. Velodrome's looking really good for a lot of upside. I mean, like a lot of upside. This is a trend fib tool situation where we go from low to high to this new low right here, because we will be going into price discovery for Velodrome. So, Velodrome Finance, what I'm looking for out of this bad boy is to go up. First off, 618, you're looking at 82%. 786, you're looking at 106%. Those would be my first 2 targets. We'll just leave the 786 up there because that's a more likely target. After that, we would be looking for something in the realm of this, 129% upside. If it starts getting crazy, you have higher levels, but this is what I'd be focusing in on right now, looking at either 106 or 229% upside for Velodrome Finance. Your 4 hour is still in the bearish control zone. This thing could start rallying really hard. Your 1 hour just now got into the bullish control zone. Once again, you could start rallying very hard. And you're on a more recent downtrend breakout. Could start rallying extremely hard. Coin if time, sure. We shall check it out. So yeah, I'm expecting this thing to rally very, very hard. So hopefully you're expecting it too. Hopefully you're in it to win it, and you're not going to sell too early. But Velodrome looking really good to me. Does not look terrible. Even your 15 minutes, like, hey, we're about to start a really fresh rally. And I mean like really fresh. Like this thing is just now about to get started. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing out of that. Yeah, get your ass up there, OM. Get your ass up there. Alright. So, let's move right along. We got Caspa. Caspa's moving. It is moving. So we had the question earlier today, what would you get? Turbo, Cas, or something else? I said Caspa. So in the short term, we're looking for 23% upside, getting back above this 14432 level. But in reality, if we do zoom out a lot, you can see we have held support several different times at this 099409 level. In my opinion, this is going to be the next bear market low. So right now, I am loading up on Caspa tokens as well, because I do believe this thing is about to go on a massive rally. And if I'm being serious, I'm thinking Cas sometime maybe March, April time. Who knows? If this rally really gets going, I'm looking at like 79 cents. All the way up there. For Caspa. They already have projects developing on them. Yeah, I think this is just a start. 559% upside, I think, is just it's like the appetizer. Considering you're already at 12 cents, it would not be a surprise in the least, in my opinion, if we ended up hitting like $2 to $3. I know it seems outlandish now, but this one, yeah, I could see it landing somewhere in the $2 to $3 range this bull run. Would not be a surprise in the least to me. But yeah, we'll just see what it does. And we noted it's still not listed on like any on Binance or Coinbase, so it hasn't even had those effects yet. That's what I see out of Caspa. Let's look at this Devin coin. Oh, wait a minute. Is it Devi? I think you mean Devi. So, looking at this, let's see here. What was I looking at? So your daily is still pretty damn high. I hope so. I mined about 24,000 CAS in the past 8 months. Dang, Rich, that's crazy. That is crazy. All right, so looking at this thing, we're going to get rid of this because obviously it didn't happen. This has me so worried. Oh, boy. This doesn't look great in my opinion, but if the market stays bullish, it could be really nice. It could be really nice. You have this uptrend. This is why I don't like it. On the daily, you got this happening. Maybe it's an ascending triangle and you're just going to pop straight up 47%, get on up there to 133, maybe. Or this thing just takes a nosedive and you get back to 66.5. That the daily I don't like. Let's check the 4 hour. The 4 hour I like. I like the 4 hour. You're in neutral territory right now. Your 50 and 100 are pretty close together. I do like it. I think you're going to consolidate a bit more than you want to, but we will see. But we will see. So right now, your CCI indicators in the bullish control zone, that's good. I don't like how you got overbought though. Your relative strength is basically saying, don't worry about it. Let's check the 1 hour though. Oh, your 1 hour is trying to reset. Oh, this thing, yeah, I see this thing going up. I see this thing going up. 133 is your target for Devi. Yeah, you're trying to reset. I would set an alert though. Set an alert for 87.64. If you lose 87.64, because you did have a rounded accumulation before the rise, if you lose that, you're more than likely going to come down and see 66.5 again. Caspa smart contracts coming soon too. Should help it rally. Oh, that's great. I didn't know that. That's great. But yeah, this looks really good for upside, but stop loss. Just put a stop loss there because you don't want to incur the random 28% drop. You don't want any part of that. You want it to maintain above this consolidation range here and see it rally that 47% upside. So that's what I see out of Devi. That's what I see. Alrighty. We got through all of those. I'm going to finally go look at OM because this is what I am in on the trade. So OM, it's currently up 1.9%. Let's see what we're looking at here. All right, 1 hour looks fine. We're still above the 50. Great. We're still catching bids. Love to see that. Let's check out the 15 minute. 15 minute, beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh, that makes me happy. We're going to see this thing print overnight. Oh, I love it. I love it. There's nothing more that I love than gains at night while I'm asleep. Ugh. Do you know how good it feels to wake up and be like, ooh, we got money? Love it. Yeah, they need 10 BPS for smart contracts, you think? I don't even know what that means. But okay. God, that was move 1. We're looking for move 2. Going straight up into my... Oh, boy. This is going to be a confirmed breakout, though, which confuses the heck out of me. But we have overhead resistance sitting at 424.61. Sweet. Sweet. Wow. We had a lot of requests tonight. That was great. That was awesome. Love you guys. It's going to be even better when I wake up tomorrow to freaking gains. Blocks per second. Oh, I gotcha. Wow, 10 blocks per second? That's wild. That'd be wild, son. We have 961 subscribers. Thank you all so very much. We got 54 likes and only 31 are still sticking around. I'm hoping I'm giving you guys all the value you can handle. Other than that, everybody, we've covered all the requests. I'm getting out of here. I'm going to sleep. I got a big day tomorrow. I got to do another 2 hours of cardio, which fucking blows. But your boy doesn't need to... Oh, god damn it. Dream tanks. What do I think about Dogecoin? I think it's going up, honestly. But yeah, your boy's not playing competitive rugby anymore. I'm carrying way too much weight for normal everyday life. I'm going to get back down to 200. It's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Their goal is 100 BPS eventually. That would be sweet. Looking at Dogecoin real quick, you can see the bullish backtest that is currently happening right now. Dogecoin currently, I'm expecting 12% upside. So that's what I see out of Dogecoin right now. Pretty bullish, considering it would be a break back above 34 cents. Would be amazing. So yeah, that's what we're seeing out of Dogecoin. Thank you so much. No problem, Dream Takes. No problem. But yeah, so I got a lot of conditioning tomorrow, and I still got to get a lift in, and yeah, on top of that, I plan on making a video. We're going to be diving into virtual, I guess. We're going to be diving into the whole virtual space, because everybody keeps bringing up virtual AI agents and all that stuff and things. We'll see what I find. Just look out for the video tomorrow, if you guys even care. And yeah, appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, join the Discord. It's free. Get trade setups as often as I find them, and let's all make some money. Let's do that. And just a reminder to those of you who are members of the channel, and if you want updates on every single time I enter into trades, this member only section is hidden to everybody except for those who decide to link their YouTube and or Twitch account, if you are subscribed on Twitch, to the Discord. And if you do that, then hey, you're going to be able to see every single time I enter into trades, whether it be long, short, what the leverage is, and I'm going to make a point to put in where my stop losses and take profits are. So yeah, that's what I have there for everybody, all the members. And then for the non-members, I do post trade setups every time that I find them. So you guys get to take those as you will. Anyways, I'm getting on out of here. Rich, what did you say? So what looks best to hop into tonight for what you saw? From what I saw, it was CKB. I think Casper looked pretty good, but CKB looked really good. OM looks really good still, and OM just had a pullback, so I do think OM is going to be a really good one. But yeah, it's already moving though. But yeah, you just got that pullback. So if you're trying to get into a fresh long here, you just have to have a stop loss somewhere below this level here at 3879. So yeah, those are what I'm seeing right now. That CKB one, that thing looked great. And what was that other one? Velodrome. Velodrome look extremely good. OM, what coin? I think it's called Mantra or something, but it's OM. That's the ticker, OM. Velodrome. So yeah, Velodrome here. Is this not the chart I was looking at? God damn it. Oh, that's why. I don't know which chart I was looking at. But yeah, I think this is the chart here. Velodrome looks the absolute best. So there's that. Don't see on weeks. All good going to bed. What do you mean? I'm in the trade right now on weeks. It's literally OM. Just OM. There, we're up 60%. Also, Rich, you got this trade earlier today. No excuse. No excuse. You would have already been in it. Alright, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to sleep. Everybody, I appreciate you for coming out. You guys are the best. You're amazing. You're awesome. I will see you tomorrow. Keep those stop losses tight. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces, everybody. Deuces. Nope, just said OM. Have a good night, Rich. Try to get some sleep. Don't pull an all-nighter. You'll be